Everybody, welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. Let's have some fun today. What the heck is up with my voice? I think we're good now. I think we're good to go. Let's see. Okay, we're going to be good. I think we're good. It's the last day of college. Last day, I got 2 exams today, a little bit later. Let's see what we're going to get. I don't know. Let's see. Amy right now, down about 8 cents. In pre-market trading, we got SPY doing its thing over here too. It is up about 16 cents. Pretty freaking flat though. Let's see here. How is everybody doing? You guys doing good? You guys doing good? All right, guys. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Just getting the stream out to some more people in the morning. Dun 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 dun. Let's get it for some YOLO puts. YOLO puts. I don't know. All right. Tesla's up a little bit over here. Let's see. Where's oil? Oil's down 0.5%. WTI and Brent are not doing all that much right now. Ortex update on AMC and GME. Let's see what we're going to get over here. Bing bong. The prices are still wrong. All right. Let's see. This is, so AIM right here, they have a net borrow of 12,200 shares, 18.87% estimated short interest, 2.11% average cost to borrow. Those 14,600 shares all went out on one loan. Jimmy. What do we got? 19.6% estimated short interest, 6.11% average cost to borrow, 6.56% max cost to borrow, 156,000 borrowed shares, 13.9 thousand net borrow. So that's what we're looking at over here. Turnaround Tuesday. I mean, maybe. That's the thing. Like, I mean, I was predicting green yesterday, red today, just to kind of balance it out. But yesterday was a little bit wonky. Yesterday, not gonna lie, a little bit wonky. That was a little bit wild over there. A little bit wild. Let's see. Simmer down, Keith. No. Is it true naked shorting can be covered by paying a fine when a firm is caught rather than covering the traditional sense? It's not hedge fund related. It's typically not hedge fund related. It's unless the hedge fund knew about it and did it anyway. Then yes, but it's usually the fault of the prime broker who is not meeting the locate requirements. Most of the time, if there's naked shorts out there, the funds that are taking out those shares on loan have no idea they're naked shorting. But they're part of the problem in creating that excess supply in the overall market. Things will get wild when Buffett finds the button. Yeah. Good morning, SB. Congrats on school finally ending. Yeah, I know. I got 2 exams today, and I'm done. Might as well just go get hammered tonight. I'm just kidding. What else are we looking at? Where's Oxy? Where's the Oxy? Down 0.36%. I don't know. Maybe we'll do another Oxy. I like SPY though. SPY's been pretty wild recently, so we'll see what we'll get on SPY. All right, let's see. Thanks for what you're doing, Todd. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. See if anybody's losing their fucking minds this morning over something crazy. Ortex tweeting about Redbox. Not really. It's just tweeting out the short interest. U.S. natural gas tops. Oh, it's up 7.1. Oh, where's natural gas? Natural gas is up 6% here. So UNG is probably going to be up a little bit right now. Yeah, UNG is up 5.27% right now. UNG's been on a little bit of a run the last couple of days. So let's check this on the 4 hour, see how it's going. Yeah, a little bit of a rim here. Just higher highs, higher lows since the 22nd. That's pretty interesting. UNG keeps going to the moon. Natural? Yeah, man. All right. Well, I don't know. We'll see what happens with UNG. We'll see if we want to get anything. The high is 28. So it's only about 60 cents off of the high right now. So if it rejects there, you can play puts on the way back down. Yeah, natural gas is spiking. All right, let's see if we get another crazy day today. We killed it yesterday on the put side. Calls on Oxy. We did hit calls on Oxy. That was fun. And then some nice SPY puts in there. Those are real fun. I may see the thing is I may not be able to make as many trades today just because I have to go to 2 classes not go to 2 classes, but I have to do class twice and take 2 tests. So we'll see. Today is going to be wonky. Tomorrow will be normal. Thursday will be not normal. Friday will be not normal. And then Monday maybe. And then Tuesday back to normal. Alberto, I'm doing good, man. How about you? Let's see. Ho, Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super, buddy. If you get hammered and fall out of your chair, we are screwed without you. Good morning, Keith. Tech team. No, Grandpa, I would do it. After I take the last test of college. I would do it after. But I'm not going to because I want to go to the gym and then chill out and because I have to be here with you people tomorrow. All right, let's see. How you guys doing over here? All right, guys. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot over here. You guys killed it yesterday. Let's keep that trend up, getting more people out here. Let's see. Hoarding shares and then would sell them at say 20x the price and then working down to cover 19. No. They're not set. No. There's the NBBO, John. They're not selling them at 20 times the price of what we're seeing here now. Let's see. All righty. Wait, what is this? Hopefully. Good magical morning, STV. Let's get this bread. We'll do it again, man. We're going to make some more money today, as usual. As usual. What time am I leaving today? Probably 12. I'll probably be leaving at 12. Like dropped. I appreciate that, Wrecked Customs. Appreciate that, guys. All righty. So, UNG is doing its thing over here. We got Jimmy down about 57 cents. We got Amy down about 7 cents. What about SPY's running up here? What about AMD ahead of earnings after hours today? AMD's up about 1% over here. I mean, AMD went on a little bit of a mission with the SPY yesterday. They have earnings after hours. I mean, I'm hoping that they report some good earnings, but if the market's going to come down significantly, it's not going to matter. You just kind of got to deal with it. You got to eat the loss. You got to eat it. Let's see. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Morning SUV, morning grandpa, daily stream feed taken care of. Most of my money is tied up in longer term options. But what I have, you're going to play. Keith, there we go, buddy. There we go. Thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Powell has not said anything yet. They can't say anything until tomorrow. None of the Fed people can say anything until tomorrow. They're in a blackout period. What's my price? What do you mean? Good morning, all. Smash that like button, you all. Thank you. I appreciate it. All righty, folks. So, what are we gonna get? SPY's up point. Yeah, it's pretty flat though. That's the thing. It's just hovering outside of this box here. Todd. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Everyone has a price. Okay. That's a little bit early for conversations like that. Usually we save the wild conversations for the afternoon, but I guess you're just going after it early this morning, huh? It means how much did it take for Kenny to go up to you? I don't know, Keith. You tell me. Pal. Let's get willy-nilly. We could. AMD. I mean, I think the market. See, my prediction is green yesterday, red today. So I would expect to see a little bit of red today going into Powell. But how big is that red going to be? I don't. Okay. So the move that we saw yesterday was like my spy prediction. It was like really down or really up. And then it comes back to like the even price to start the week going into Powell. That's kind of what I was expecting. But it just did the move yesterday. Al from Boston is now calling himself Al from DC. What's up, guys? It's Al from Boston. Ah. Any thoughts on AMD earnings? They could do well. They're gonna price in a lot. I mean, I have a boatload of shares that I'm holding long on it, so I'm hoping that they do well. But again, they're so sold off right now from their highs that it's like eventually they'll get back up. Eventually, with their performance, they'll get back up, but it's gonna take some time. Pfizer earnings was this morning, I think. I think they already reported. I think they already reported. Let me look. I think yeah, Pfizer was this morning. BP. Where's BP? Uh-oh. BP up. Pfizer. Pfizer. Didn't move really. AMD, Airbnb. Actually, how's Airbnb? Where's this? 152. Jesus. Starbucks, Lyft. Lyft is after hours today. You could play Uber off of Lyft. What your vote is green and going into FOMC? You think they want to go into FOMC between 420 and 425? That would be crazy. Pear and Pfizer were duds. I told you. Para moved last time though. Paramount moved last time, I believe, on their earnings. Or it was either them or Discovery that moved pretty freaking big on their earnings, which was interesting. Yeah, CVS has earnings. There's a lot of companies that have earnings. Lots of companies that got earnings. It's still going. Like the earnings season is still going. Yeah. A lot of earnings duds. But again, I mean, if you hit the Netflix or if you hit any of the other ones that went crazy off of earnings, which a lot of them did, you're all set for this earnings cycle. That's what it's all about. It's putting yourself in the position for success, but only risking a small amount in relation to your total portfolio size because it allows you to stay alive playing earnings more. Like, yeah, if you YOLO'd your portfolio on Netflix puts, you'd be rich. But you can't do that because most of the time it's going to go to zero. DraftKings is Friday morning. That's another one that we could look at. You bought UVXY shares yesterday. Hope they give you something today. I mean, you have shares, so you're gonna be fine. You're right. I mean, you'll probably be a little bit down today, unless volatility is still gonna be high. Yeah, UVXY is down 1.46 here. We'll see. Here's hoping for a rally after Powell. I think it could. I think it easily could. You hope it does the exact opposite as yesterday, melt up, then sell towards the end of the day. It could. We could easily see that. We could easily see that. Little bit of a pop. I mean, where's the upper box here? Oh, that's way too far. I mean, there's probably another one in here somewhere that there should be like right around 420. So there should be one probably right here. Yeah, right here. 420. Affirm earnings next week. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. Affirm earnings. Remember what happened last time? That was wild last time on Affirm earnings where they just capitulated. Your calls that you swung are gonna print. Don't you have the 415s? Yeah, you're gonna be good on those. What's up, Big Pimpin'? That's an interesting name. All right, Spy's up about $1 here. Amy is down 8 cents over here. Amy's just gonna flick around, do its thing. We have earnings on the 9th, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun. Earnings on the 9th. There we go. When is the 9th? Is that Monday? Is that Monday? Hold on. Oh yeah, it is Monday. Austin. All right, relax. Relax. All right, we got about 45 minutes until open, people. You love a firm long term, but going into economy tightening, I don't think a ton of people are going to be going into debt. Or they do, or they do and they get charged more for it. Like they still go into debt, or less people go into debt, but they get charged more for it. The rates go up. Well, last Monday it is. No. Relax. Panic buys just to get back to 4150 off a perfect technical bounce. Hardly any chance this level holds technically, but yes, we may have another short-term bounce, each getting weaker and weaker. Agreed, depending on the reaction off of Powell. Where's TLT? TLT's up 1.2% over here. Premium on TLT is pretty high. Do you think AMC will do its own thing or follow the market, considering it has earnings next week? I would say that it's probably just going to follow the market like it's been doing. It's been a little bit of like a weird. It hasn't really been. It's been like doing its own thing, but mainly kind of flatlining. Like the market will spike, Amy will stay flat. The market will tank, Amy won't go as much down. Like it won't go down as much with the overall market, which honestly, that's a good sign to see. It's like volatility is getting sucked out a little bit. Do I trust MarketWatch? It doesn't matter. That's an institute. It's a news institution, so it doesn't matter. Really, it's a case by case basis. If you read an article for them and it's like this makes sense and there's no ulterior motive to it, then it's just an article. But if you can tell, it's a case by case basis. It's like Motley Fool probably has good articles sometimes, but in our situation with the squeeze stocks, they just talk a bunch of shit. Like that, like this is one thing. Like, do I trust Motley Fool's economic data calendar? Yeah. Jehovah, what's up, man? How you doing? Morning, brother. Good luck on those tests today. Making money, of course. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do before I gotta go do school for the last time ever. Establish a share position in SPY now or wait. I mean, if you're buying SPY, I would just say literally change nothing that you've been doing and just continue just pouring money in every single month, and you're gonna be fine. Ethereum earnings on the 9th? I don't know. We will look though. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Let's see. Oh, you guys are doing all right today. You guys are slacking a little bit off of yesterday. Yesterday, you guys performed a little bit better. Let's see. You have an additional 3 synthetic likes from all your accounts. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Amy's only down 6 cents here. SPY's up about 90 cents, 88 cents right now. Tesla's up 0.58. Do I watch other YouTubers? Not really, no. Not really. I don't have time. Let's see. How you guys doing this morning? You guys good? What are you guys looking at? What are you looking at? I'm hunting those 4-hour crosses. I'm waiting for them to start firing off. If we start to see a big reversal in the SPY, we see Lulu with the cross up, we see a lot of other things start to happen, I'm going to go crazy on these 4-hour value crosses. But we'll see. I mean, are they going to come or are they not going to come? That's the thing. It's like, yeah, we have the thesis, but the technicals then need to start to line up. Do I sell my options the day I buy if they're going in the wrong direction? It's just a stop loss. It's just 20% stop. It's just follow the rules, play by the rules, follow the stop loss, then you're good to go. Let's see. Looking at Redbox to see if it can run again. It might be able to. It might be able to. Redbox could get a little spicy today again. CVS, DraftKings, AMD. Okay, those are some good ones over there. Haven't been active in the chat, but still listen every day. Made almost $1,000 yesterday. Following the rules y'all have in place. Bjorn, telling you, man. There you go, dude. Made $1,000 yesterday. You do that every day. You're making like, for trading days, you're making like $252,000 a year. Oh, that's pretty nuts. Who's buying the DVDs? You like the 4 Hour Crosses too? Tiger was a fun one. Dude, Tiger was awesome. Tiger was such a fun one. We'll do some more of those once they start to look better. We kind of missed it on the way down because you're just focused on the value plays, which, I mean, we should have played them on the way down, but not Tiger, but like the growth ones. The growth ones we should have hit on the way down. Nowadays, the SPY is literally moving 1.5% on average, as much as it can break down and run up like yesterday. The same thing can happen today. It's crazy out here. Yeah, it is. Quick in and outs. You see a big market bounce. It's just PPT at work. Only thing somewhat holding the market is the plunge protection team. Economy is dead. Yeah, pretty much, man. Here's Jason. Here's the way that I would recommend playing 1348 and making it a lot easier for yourself. Okay, so just pick one stock. It's probably the easiest to just trade SPY because with any other stock, that's why I mostly just trade SPY now. And on the 4 hours, I'll play other stuff because everything is just going to move with the SPY. Like every single time I'm about to trade an individual stock, unless there's crazy news, I'm always just looking at SPY. And I'm like, all right, what's SPY going to do? And it's like, well, why am I even looking at this if SPY's going to do it? So follow the rules and then don't play dailies. Like that's the other thing. Don't play the dailies. They're going to move too quickly for you. So play like the weekly, play the next week. So you give yourself a little bit more time and the contracts are a little bit less volatile. If you're following the rules and you're playing, and you can also play the longer time frames. The longer time frames are good if you can read and understand what's going on in the overall market. If you can't do that, then I mean, stick with the short-term technical ones. But I mean, if you're trading SPY contracts that have like 4 days to expiration, they're going to be a little bit less volatile and just get less contracts and get closer to the money. That'll slow it down a lot for you. It's all about slowing it down. Less trades, more profit. Because let's say you do a 10% of your portfolio trade, you make 10% on that, you're up 1% on the day. Cool, you're done. You're done. Thank you. 1%. That's crazy. 1% every single day is crazy. Quickly explain a straddle or strangle on an earnings play for Starbucks. Straddle is just, so a straddle, what you do is you buy contracts, puts and calls at the same strike and same expiration date. So it's more expensive. What a strangle is you're buying those contracts at different strikes. So you're creating like a little bit of a like 2 legs of it. So you need it to move far in one direction. Same thing with the straddle. It's just a little bit safer. In the money on SPY? I mean, if you're going to play the daily, you could go within the money, but that's the thing. Like you need to give yourself a little bit more time on your contracts. You're not going to get blown out. If you see 2 candles that go against you, you need to be able to stay in the trade. If it's going to play out the way that you think it could. Yeah, the name of the game is really getting more time. Unless you're really scalping, more time is always better. Like my SPY contracts, the ones that I was playing yesterday, remember the first couple SPY trades, I was in and out really quick. And then that last bulk of SPY puts, I was just like, all right, well, it looks like it's going to come down. I went a little bit smaller and just held them. UNG might run today. UNG is already run. I would honestly look at UNG coming back to the downside. That's kind of what happens with these commodity plays a lot of the times, where they'll be up a shitload in the pre-market and their actual, like, if you look at the actual commodity, like natural gas is up 6% right now. This happens with oil all of the time, and it reverses going into the rest of the day. So oil does this a lot. Like you see it with Oxy. Like yesterday, we saw oil down like 3.5%, but we made money on Oxy calls. So Oxy started running up as oil started to slowly come back up and people were buying the dip on Oxy. You were pumped about your SPY puts until like 2 p.m. It was yeah, the SPY puts were like they were fun. I mean, I saw mine go 250% and then they came down a little bit, but that's fine. What type of nonsense are we going to expect today? All of it? Just all of the nonsense? No AMC in the title. Are you done farming apes now that the stocks are dead? Happy feet. Do you know what this actually does here? You know what this does? Fuck you. I can put whatever I want in my title, and you get banned. This is Stock Market Live. You want an AMC content? Go watch my videos. We're gonna watch AMC all day long. You guys know the deal over here. I don't need your shit. That's what I have to say about that. I don't need your shit. Bye bye. All right, let's see here. We are getting SPY coming up here a little bit. No bold SPY prediction. Ah, fuck. I mean, the bold SPY prediction is more of like this week. It was green yesterday, red today. Let's make some money. Exactly. That's what we're here for during the day. We're gonna watch Amy. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna flicker around. But if you're gonna come in here and be like, what? Shut up. Get out of here. Your overall average on SPY put profit was over 300%. Jesus. Anyone have what Fintel is reporting for AMC at for a short ski score? It's probably high. I wouldn't look at that though. Like you could have a lot of short interest in a stock along with their other metrics, and it could rank really high on the short ski score, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna run right away. For audio listeners, can you say price is more rather than SPY is up? Yes. SPY is up $1, 415.48 right now. And Amy's at 15.19. Tell them. Yeah, they can go fuck off. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. Oh, you guys are doing good. You guys are doing good. Here we go. Let's make some money today. Smash that like, you people. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. What's up, pal? What's up, buddy? Good to see you back in here. Good to see you back in here. All right. Yeah. Dude, I can't wait for Powell tomorrow. I cannot wait to just see the wildness that we're gonna get out of Jerome. And I know I'm gonna be like super sore tomorrow too, because I have like no time restrictions on going to the gym today. This is just the best ever. Like after today, I'm a free man. It's gonna be deep. It's dude. Future coming out with two albums right before the summer too, bro. Bro, you can't do that. That's dangerous. Kind of like the AMD 120 call for July. I would not do that right now unless we see the market really start to revert back to the upside. What time's my first test today? It's at 1. So I'll probably hop off around 12, eat lunch, and then get ready for my test. I got one at 12, one at 1, and then one at 3:30. And then I'm done. Then I'm going to Miami this weekend, and then after that, we're good to go. We're no longer doing any nonsense. Yeah. So today is my last day of college, which is wild. Like the live stream last night. Thank you all for all. Thanks for all you three do for all of us. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah. And then my birthday's coming up. Man, my actual birthday, not like my YouTube birthday where it's like my birthday every single day. Best of luck on the test today. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, John. Let's see. Black Betty, thank you so much for the super. A little premature, but congratulations on graduating. I appreciate that. Thank you for the super. Congratulations on not having to go to class. Yeah, it's not like I did it a whole lot anyway. I was hanging out with you guys all the time. But don't tell them that, even though they know. Let's see. Happy birthday. All right, let's see. 4:15:30 on SPY. Enjoy my summer. Oh, I will. I will. He missed 90% of his class. Dude, I'm like pretty much good to go, I think. I'm like almost guaranteed. I'm like 99% sure. And I'm good to go. If not, it is what it is. But I'm pretty sure I did it. Congratulations on not having to go to class. Right. We're pumped you're going to Goldman so we can get insider information. I'm not going to Goldman, bro. If Goldman gave me a job, I'd say, you can't. You're going to have to pay me, bro. If it's your last day, what are the tests for it if you graduate this year? What do you mean? Like what do I have to do? I mean, I'm good to go. Big drinker. Sometimes, yeah. This summer I will be. Samsung says Dish testing 5G network with Galaxy S22 phones. Interesting. Go to class for the last time? Yeah. Now you can work for Citadel. I know. I can, right? Isn't that crazy? Now I can go work for Kenny. Full time. Oh, I love these jokes. Like number 235, Tricks. Thanks, buddy. You can teach Goldman 1348. Yeah, I know. I could do that. I could end up doing that. You will work for tacos? Dude, tacos are good. Tacos are good, man. Sorry for the repost. Just curious. What did I tell my professor that you're killing it in the markets and on YouTube? So one of them was like, yeah, that's you should have just told me earlier. And I was like, yeah, yep, you're right. And then the one of them I did tell because it was at the test, and I was like, I can't do this. And they were like, that's really cool. And then the other one, I don't think ever actually read my message because here was the thing that they did. This class that I'm taking a test for today that I technically have an A in right now. It was supposed to be a midterm and a final. And if you skip the midterm, the final counts for 100% of your grade. But guess what the final was going to be on? Market makings, dark pool, and order flow. And I was like, I think I got that down. So I was like, I'll just take the final. But then he did a little switcheroo. And it was like, now there was a presentation that was 33%. And then there's another test. And then there's this final. And I was like, come on. This is so close to being good. But the first half was like coding. And I was like, I don't know how to do that. May the 4th be with you. Dude, I just realized that I'm going to be in Miami on Cinco de Mayo. All right, let's see. Bulls so hyped on SPY, but I don't think the bottom is in yet. They saying the hike is priced in. It's not. That's the thing. Like the hike might be. The hike, price it in. It's all probably priced in. Balance sheet runoff? Nope. Not priced in. Nobody really has any idea what they're going to do because, again, the economic conditions from the last hike going into this Fed meeting, way different. Now we have a negative print on GDP. Now we still have high inflation coming off of those giant oil or like commodity price hikes. So there's a lot of different things going on here where the Fed is going to have to address. They cannot just be like, oh yeah, but are they going to do it in a meaningful way that's going to kind of calm the market? I don't think so. I'm a finance major. Found out the homework was like 60% of your grade. Yeah, but like that's easy though. Tiger's down 44% this year? No. No, Tiger. Tiger. No. No. You're lying. You're lying. You're a liar. Squirrel, you're lying. You're being a big liar. It's at 236. It's barely down. You're a big fat liar. Tiger's basically flat. It's 80 degrees in Miami right now. That's crazy. Morgan Stanley German office rated for what? All right. I'm going to run to the bathroom really quick, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I'm going to be back in like 2 seconds. Good afternoon, even though it's not the afternoon. And Squirrel, I know you meant Tiger Global. Tiger, I saw that after Tiger Global. That's wild. Bring in Bill. Where's Bill Huang? Where's our boy Bill? All right, guys. Again, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. SCV post graduation, 9 to 5 job or business or full time YouTube. Business and full time YouTube. I got lots of things going on, people. I got lots of stuff going on. And there's always going to be more stuff going on. There's always going to be more stuff. There's this stuff, there's side stuff, then there's other stuff that I'm going to do too. All righty. What test for that are you taking today? If I fail them, am I not? No. I'm taking a history test where I have to write an essay, and then I'm taking a finance test. Can I explain how rate changes get priced in? Okay, so it's not rate changes per se. It's news coming out. So when the market is going to move, okay. So the market is always going to reflect investor sentiment and what the market expectation is. Now, people buy and sell stocks based on what their expectation is, if this makes sense. So if they expect a 50 basis point rate hike, there are specific effects. This is just an example. There are specific effects of that rate hike coming into equity prices. So it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You see the news start to get circulated around that there's this one thing going to happen, and let's say that's supposed to cause stocks to sell off. But that thing may not even start to cause stocks to sell off. It's just people are expecting the market to come down based off that news, and they start to sell stocks, but everybody's doing it. So if everybody is thinking in one way, the market's going to move down. In that case, down. So that's called pricing it in. The market wants certainty. Let's see. Any stuff going on with Al? No. Stop. I'm not going to hang out with Al. SV, the real estate king. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a house, getting a rental this year. I don't know if I can do it though. Like, banks are never gonna like me. The bank until I have enough rentals, the banks are always gonna hate me. They're gonna be like, no, and I'll be like, but why? So isn't a rate hike a form of certainty? No, because we don't actually know what it's going to be, and we don't know the future of what they're going to be doing with the rate hikes. So there's uncertainty surrounding the rate hikes, the Fed meeting, and everything that's going on. The market, the most important thing really in the market right now, there's two of them. Earnings, because with these so the one thing that you got to think about is these companies, any company has an inflated valuation based off of all the money that's been printed into the market. And all the money that's coming in inflated asset prices. Now, when you start to suck money out and you no longer have that QE, the quantitative easing, the money coming in, the Fed buying stuff, the money printer on, you have assets with inflated valuations. So they're way the hell up here. But let's say that their business, the way that it's operating right now with supply chain issues and everything, would have it be priced and valued down here. So even though those like valuation metrics, the old ones, I think are mostly useless. They can kind of help you, but if you're going to hold something long term anyway, you don't need really to use like the DC because you're probably going to be wrong anyway. So the companies in the short term will get that little bit of a haircut and come down to these lower levels. So that's why we saw Netflix tank. And a lot of these other companies start to tank because they just can't live up to the prices that the market has placed on them at the current time. Start a limited liability partnerships on properties and pay yourself a salary. It looks good to banks if you have a W-2. Yeah. I heard on the news we were looking for a 50 basis point increase and some clarity over government selling equity. Yeah, that's basically what it is. Balance sheet runoff. Um, Target inflation. We got to see what they're thinking for what the end of the year is going to be, and the target Fed funds rate. Charles, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Can you explain exponential moving average and moving average? Good luck today, dude. Yeah, thanks, buddy. And yes, exponential moving averages, they're weighted. So they're gonna weight more recent price action more, and then moving averages are just gonna be more even in terms of the time period that you're using. So it's just the EMAs are gonna weight the price action in the calculation for the line more towards the more recent price action. Let's see. Joe, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Good morning. Thanks for the stream every day. Could you please and give me your opinion on Redbox? Yeah, I mean, is it down today or is it running again? Redbox down 7%. I mean, this might be it here on Redbox. If you look at it on the 4 hour, let's see what it's doing. Redbox actually has some room to come down to the 13 EMA at 671 on the 4 hour time frame. So if you see, it did it here, it ran up, came back down, ran back up again, came back down to the 13, and then really ran back up. So you might be seeing it come down to this 13 EMA here. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. The daily finally got that closing candle above the 200 EMA here, but is it going to continue to the upside? Who knows? I mean, there's still a lot of short interest on it, but we got to kind of wait and see what happens with this. I would almost wait for it to rim the 14 and then come back up. Or the 13, sorry. And then actually, I want to look at Lulu right now. Lulu, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. Look at this. Hovering double bottom right here. Hovering the 200. If this starts to get a move back up, 1348 cross, you guys know what I'm doing. Head of earnings in June. Oh, I love me some Lulu. Does 1348 work for longer time frames for entry and long hold? Or is there another? No. Definitely it works for on the 4 hour, the daily. It works for everything. Stocks, crypto, everything. You got Redbox at 336. Fuck yeah, dude. Printing money. Money printers. All right, people. Again, as you guys are coming in here, let's see. We got about 15 to 18 minutes left to go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It's going to be a fun day today. Do you pay taxes at year end or all year long? Now I'm paying them all year long. Like the estimates, they suck. The estimates suck. But not as bad as writing the check for the end of the year. Because for this year, this is the problem. The last year taxes, I was like, oh, that's fine. That was way less than I thought it was going to be. Like I had in my mind a number that I had to pay, and I was like, okay, that's fine. And then I got the number back, and it was like almost half. And I was like, half of what like I thought it was going to be. And I was like, oh, that's awesome. But then the first quarter of this year, the estimate came in, and I was like, fuck. You don't hide from Uncle Sam. What's Lulu? Lululemon. Yeah, taxes suck, dude. Taxes suck. Good morning, people. Like number 308. I appreciate that, Trip Revoked. All right, so SPY's kind of hovering this 13 here. Got to cross to the upside. I don't know. I don't know. Where are the value plays this morning? Is HD running up again? HD was up 2% yesterday. That freaking beast. Just means you're making more money. I mean, that's true. But, I mean, yeah, I guess. Taxes suck, though. Those checks, I was literally laughing when I was writing. I was laughing. I was like, this is ridiculous. You'll likely get money back next year if I pay quarterly. I don't think I will. I think I'll still end up having to pay more. Because I'm thinking about what the number is per month in the quarter, and it's like, yeah, it's not going to work. I'll probably end up still having to pay more, which sucks. Worst thing about playing stocks, no write-offs. Well, if you set it up correctly, I mean, you can write off like Discords and like Ortex and all that stuff. You need a different uncle? I do. Uncle Sam sucks. Taking my money. Did I play Chegg? No, but I use it. TLT is ripping this morning. TLT's up. All right. So we do have a lot of alerts coming through. Let me see here. Bing bong, the price is wrong. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Again, if you guys do want to get all of those 4-hour alerts on 450 plus stocks for completely free, and if you want to come in and what do you call it? Get some of those 5-minute alerts too, just for free. Here's the link to the free part of the Discord. You can use that as training wheels. Come test it out. Again, most of the action and the conversations about stocks are taking place in premium. You get all the live streams. That's where people usually hang out and kind of talk. The community in there that's printing and using like the strategy is, oh my God, it's the coolest thing to see because everybody knows what they're doing now. When the crosses happens, everybody's analyzing it together, which is really cool. So if you are interested in getting a little bit of a taste on the free, make sure you check that out. It's in the top. But let's see. All right, we got 14 minutes left to go here, folks. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day. All right, so Spy's bouncing off the 48 here. I think, yeah, the student loan thing is interesting too. I think canceling it's a really poor idea, like a really bad idea. Because think about this. Canceling student debt, think about the timing of it. Think about the timing of canceling student debt. What is this for? At the end of the day, everybody in the government's always going to be for themselves. So it's a bargaining chip for votes. It's a bargaining chip for votes. The problem is that canceling student debt is going to piss off way more people than it makes happy. Because the amount of people in the United States that are working like middle class jobs that don't have college degrees is still very, very high. And they're going to be like, why the hell am I paying for somebody's graduate degree right now? To me, if I was in that situation where I was working as like a plumber or something and I didn't go to college and I could have, and I saw this happening and there's somebody with like a random writing PhD degree just paying like $60,000 a year for that, and my tax dollars were going towards canceling that, I would be so pissed. So the whole thing with the student debt situation is you can't have there's two problems. One, you should hold people responsible for the debt the personal debt that they're taking on, even though it's for school. You still have to hold people responsible for it. Two, the debt should not be as high anyway. The government should not be guaranteeing these loans to the colleges because the colleges have an incentive to make the prices of tuition as high as they possibly can because they know the government's just going to come in and pay them. So it doesn't make any sense. Like the way that the university system right now works, it's so stupid. Yeah, they should not be charging as much. Exactly. AMC earnings Monday? Yeah, it could be good. Let's see. Gaining access to education, buying mass amounts of money will inevitably contribute to the right. And it hoards it at the top. Like you want everybody to have access to like a college degree, but you can't handicap them if they're not going to get a degree that's going to increase their earning potential. Cuz then you're literally saying you're going to go to college, you're going to be trapped with all this debt and you're not going to make as much money. So it is a decision that people are making, but again, the way that it's set up is going to completely screw people over. Let's see. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. My HYMC calls for this Friday are up 525%, up $6.30. That's a 30-cent increase from yesterday morning. Living the squeeze. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that, dude. Let's see. Don't forget the money these college makes from sports that can help lower the cost. Yeah, or the players, dude. If you're gonna be a student athlete at a big university, you're making no money off of it. One, don't not even like the university needs to pay them. Just let them make money on their own like likeness, like social media. Let them do their thing. So let's see. Market time. We have 9 minutes left to go here, folks. Make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. This is going to be a fun day, people. This is going to be an interesting day. It's the day before Powell. We're going to be getting some notices from Jay Powell tomorrow. We're going to get the FOMC report, and then we're going to get Powell tomorrow. Today could be a little bit of a dud day. It could really calm down after yesterday and just kind of flatline and flicker around throughout the whole day. Today, it's possible that we don't see a lot of craziness. Took me forever to find this feed this morning. Dude, YouTube's been really, really, really janky. So, guys, again, hit that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot over here. What's Oxy at? Last time we looked, it was down a little bit with oil. Yeah, it's down 45 cents, 0.77%. It is at 57.85 over here. And oil was down a little bit, and natural gas was pumping. So WTI right now is down about about 2% on Brent and WTI, and natural gas is up 6.6% right now. Hour ripping 7%. Ooh, that thing's running a little bit. Yeah, Amy getting a little bit of a pop here in the pre-market, but again, it's only down 6 cents. Nothing really is going on with it over here. Jimmy's down $1.22. SPY's kind of sputtering above this 13 EMA over here in the pre-market. You're getting that 5-minute MACD cross down too. The levels I'm going to be watching today for any sort of like reversal or a break is going to be this 411.50. Yesterday, again, those 410 tests, especially on the 1 minute, were so annoying. Those were wild. So watch some craziness like that today where they try to balance it out at certain prices going into FOMC. You have to specifically go to my page and find the live stream, and sometimes it still doesn't pop up. Yeah, hopefully that changes soon because we've been seeing a lot of nonsense recently. Let's see. Clayton, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Hardworking free educators like yourself are vital for communities that can't get access to financial education that the ruling class possesses. That's why we're here, buddy. That's why we do these streams. Clayton, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you so much for the super. Hopefully you print today, dude. Market was playing Pong yesterday. Yeah, boomer. Boomer alert over here. You're talking about playing Pong, the first video game that ever existed. Really? 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 Check ITP and the Mr. Zach Morris play. Let's see. ITP is down 2.5 yesterday. It's down 1% in the pre-market over here. How's it been doing though? 4 hour spiky spike. I wonder what happened here. Oh man, I love it. I love it. I hope everybody prints today. Casey, me too. Me too. Let's see what the market's gonna give us. Let me get some Bill Huang alter egos today, dude. Bill Huang is an absolute wild boy, and I love him. The funniest part about Bill Huang, so I don't know if you guys know the story that in depth, but if you look at Bill Huang, like the character, he's like lives two lives. Apparently, he was a very, very like religious guy. He was like very Catholic and lived in like not like a crazy, like he wasn't like spending wild amounts of money. I don't think. He was a billionaire, but he wasn't like going crazy. And he just lived in like an apartment in New Jersey. And that's also the same dude that started 2020 with like about $1 billion of like invested capital, leveraged himself all the way up, got that capital number up to 30 something billion. So he like 30x'd it almost. but had exposure of like 160 billion. He is a degenerate, and it is awesome, dude. It is awesome to see. It is so cool. It's just these fun stories are like the Bill Huang story is hilarious. You think they're not doing that now? Do you know why? Okay, so I heard one of that podcast that I've been listening to is the All In podcast. I might make a video on this and kind of break this down for you guys. The reason why the Bill Huang situation actually like was allowed to happen is it because the equity market doesn't have this one specific thing that the debt market does. And there's like a central clearing. There's like this different way that these bonds and these different debt instruments are cleared that they set up after 2008 to make sure that nobody could like the system could not overcook itself with everybody wildly over leveraging themselves because they could see the actual leverage amount and send out notices be like this is the overall risk of the system right now. That doesn't exist in the equity market. They don't do that. So you could have Bill Huang, and that's why he could go to UBS, Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley, and all these other institutions and just continue to do this, and nobody had any idea. So you think Bill Huang's not the only one doing this right now? Tiger Global right now down 40-something% in the first quarter. They're done. Melvin Capital done. You think they're not doing this? They are. They have to. They have to be. They're trying to be competitive in the market. But the system didn't know. They didn't have a. It's crazy. This whole thing is wild. I love it. Wild, wild west of the market. You're living through a time that nobody's really ever seen, and it's just wild. All right, guys. Again, as you're coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We got 3 minutes left to go here. Let's see what we're going to get going into open. We are going to be able to have a little bit of fun today before I got to go take these freaking tests. But then I'm done. Then I'm done forever. 2008 on steroids? Yeah. If you look at the debt, I mean, if you look at the actual like notional amount of derivative exposure, it's not that different than 2008. It's like a little bit lower actually in terms of like, but it's like all derivatives, so it counts for some of those interest rate swaps in like the debt market too. But it's up there. The margin debt's coming down. Margin debt's at an all-time high, or it was at an all-time high. It's been coming down because I don't know, the market's been sucking. Let's see. Crypto options trading is in the air for Webull. No way. No way. Dude. Oh my God. We will do that. That'll be our weekend thing. We will trade options on crypto. Oh, Amy, getting a little bit of pre-market nonsense over here with some candles shooting off. A little bit of volatility dot coming in here. SPY's basically flat. It is up 0.01%. It is up 3 cents right now going into open. Clean slate on the SPY going into open today, people. This is going to be interesting. AMD earnings. I'm not touching it. I'm not going to be touching that. Not going to touch. No touchy for me on AMD earnings. When's FOMC? Tomorrow. Lou Candle. No, let's see if we're getting any news over here. Putin told Macron Russia still open to dialogue with Kiev. Interesting. Very interesting over here. What do you think option trading would do to the price of crypto? I think it would be like really, really, really wild. I think it would be one of the wildest things that we had seen. What the heck just happened? Did I glitch out? Did I glitch out here really weirdly? What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? All right, guys. Again, hit that like button on the way in. I think we glitched out a little bit here. Glitch? All right. Yeah, that's no fun. All right. Let's see. All right, people. Less than a minute to go here. Make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. Let's go. Let's have some fun. Glitch? Oh, boy. That's no good. All right. That's no fun. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Here we go, folks. So, Amy, the day high is at 1526. Let's see what we're going to get over here. Really focus to see what SPY is going to do. It did cross up in the pre-market over here. I'm watching that 411.50 level over here. We're getting the ding ding. Here we go. What was the glitch? Are we still glitching? All right, Amy 1527 new high. What do we got over here? Oh, this is ITP. I don't really care about this. Tiger. Tiger up a little bit. Jimmy flatlining at open, down about $1. Down about $1. Let's see. All right, let's see. Amy 1521. Spike moving down here. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Cross down at open. Here we go. All right, let's see. Is anything firing off right now? I mean, SPY's just kind of flatlining. It's down 20 cents right now. Not really moving a whole lot. Watch it at the 200 EMA coming down here. Where's Tesla? Where's Tessie? That's the wrong Tesla. It was like you were paused for about 15 seconds. That's bullshit. YouTube. Come on now. All right, guys. Again, if it's not working, just refresh. Hit that like on the way in. Let's get it going today. Yeah, I didn't even see it. That was weird. All right. All right, here comes SPY on the way down. Looking like it wants to make a move to that 200 EMA right now on the 1 minute. That's the Amy. That's not what we want. 1 minute on SPY. Already crossed down below that 200 here. Coming down to the 200 on the 5 minute. Let's see what happens. Contracts are pricey today. Yeah, the contracts are going to be pricey with, I mean, Oxy's starting to get a little pop here. Yeah, oil moving back up a little. All right, where's Amy? Down 10 cents, not really moving. SPY pulled right back up here. Hour halted up. Oops, hold on. Let's see. What are we gonna get here, folks? Algo suppression. Yeah, I mean, SPY's coming back up here. Hold on. Here we go. Amy getting a little bit of a pop. Hour, yeah, halted up 22% right now. Let's see. Tiger, what is this at? Tiger doing its thing over here. Where's Wally? I mean, Lulu. I want to look at Lulu, but Lulu might want to try here a little bit. I mean, might as well just wait and see what direction the market's going to pick today. It may not pick a direction. It just could flicker around the entire day. So careful. Let's see. All right, there we go. All right, SPY. Lulu down. Tesla. Tesla coming down to the 200 here. Where's Apple? Apple coming down. SPY is holding here with Apple and Tesla both moving down here. This is interesting. So if Apple and Tesla continue their sell-off right now, I mean, you could easily see the SPY start to come down off of that. Let's see. You're pretty sure that these sharp movements up and down and then up in the market aren't directly manipulated, but it sure can seem that way. Yeah, I don't think it is either. It's just a lot of volume and it's a lot of buying and selling orders coming in at market open that were being held from pre-market. That's all it is. So you're seeing the morning volatility. Para tanking off continuation on earnings. Para is down about 5. It's coming up to test this 13 here. Hit a low of 26.03. SPY's moving up now. Amy down about 4 cents, pretty much flat on the day here, people. With Amy trading pretty flat over the last couple of days, if you continue to see this trend of Amy trading flat and not moving a whole lot in terms of these big volatile moves, the IV is going to come down on the options chain, which could be nice. Could be nice. Tiger green candle. Let's see. Where's Tiger? Where's my Tiger? Yeah, Tiger got a little green here. Jimmy popping up, down 40 cents. SPY moving up here. Come on. Come on, Amy. Up a penny. Nice. We're rich. Ethereum. Is it booming again? Yeah, Ethereum. Nice candle. Bounce off the 200 EMA here. Boeing. What's up with Boeing? Boeing running here. Up. Oh, yeah. Boeing looks interesting. Boeing looks a little interesting here. All right, guys. This is getting a little bit spicy. All right. Amy flickering around. SPY flickering around the 13 here. Jimmy, I mean, it's down $1. Yeah. Boeing looks like it's going to shark. Facebook coming down. Where's like AMD? Where's AMD right now? Nope. Didn't like it. May not get an earnings run up on AMD, but let's see. Do value stocks follow the SPY? Yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they're more Dow components most of the time, but yeah, in general, they're going to be following the SPY. All right, people. Let's see. SPY flicker in here. Amy, here we go. Looking for new day highs, up 3 cents here. Day highs at 1530. We're at, oh, there it is. New highs on AMC, 1533. There we go. Oh, yeah. Getting a little bit jumpy over here. Hopefully we can hold this move. SPY's moving down a little bit here. Jimmy's getting a little bit of a pop too. That would be nice to see. Let's see if this is a news thing right here. Scorpion Capital says it is short IONQ. Interesting. All right, Amy. Come on. 1541. New highs. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, Amy. Let's do it here. Come on. Let's get a little bit of a move to 16. That would be nice. That would be nice. Baba. Alibaba. Alibaba's running up here a little bit. We could do a little Alibaba. A little Alibaba. I'm not going to do anything right now. I just want to check the premium on it. Because I think it's going to shark at some point. But Baba tends to get a little spicy. I think the premium is going to be stupid. It's actually not the worst in the world. Premium so high on SPY. Well, today is not a daily expiration date on the SPY. And two, you're seeing like the SPY yesterday, the day before that. There's lots of big moves going on in the overall market. So they're going to price that into the options chain. So the options are going to then be more expensive if they're expecting a larger move in the underlying, if that makes sense. So it jacks up the implied volatility in the expected move in the underlying stock because it's shown the potential to move in a giant range. Apple falling pretty hard. Let's see. Is it below the 200 now? Yeah, Apple got to cross down here. NutX just got halted. Is it up or down for NutX? NutX halted down here. Amy moving back up a little. Where's the Apple? Apple. Boeing falling all the way back. Yep. Yeah, Apple is getting sparked here a little bit. Let's see what SPY does around this 200 EMA. If it doesn't like it, you could get some apples. I don't know. We'll see. It's still really early. It's still really early in the day. Hours ripping after the halt. No, came back down off the halt. Yeah, SPY flickering here. Amy's at 1540, trying to hunt for those new day highs at 1544. Not looking too bad, man. Not looking too bad. All right, what do we want over here? Apple again. Let's see. Yeah, pulled back. Oh, Amy, come on. Come on. You can do it, Amy. I believe in you. I believe in you, Amy. Come on. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, it helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here and with the algorithm. Disney and Lucid trying to move up. Yeah, Disney's been getting sparked a little bit here. Let's see. Disney. Yeah, Disney's trying to move up. Lucid likes a shark fin, though, so be very careful with this one. Where's the Alibaba? The Alibaba wants to get a little spicy here. Come on. Jimmy rejected and coming down. Apple. I've still got the Apple chain pulled up. I might do something on it. Might do a little something. All right, so Amy is trying to push that day high at 1544. Jimmy's just kind of flat. Jimmy's not been doing so hot recently. For a while, GME was really kind of holding and looking good on the 4-hour and the daily chart. And then after this sell-off in the SPY, it started to really come down with it, which was not really what you want to see. So Apple pulled back up here a little bit. SPY and the SPY would need to really start cracking to the downside to see Apple really get those big red candles firing off. If that starts to happen, game on. DraftKings, is it running? Because they have earnings at the end of this week. Yeah, DraftKings running up here a little bit. It's up 1.67% right now. DraftKings could get a little spicy and do a little earnings. Right here comes SPY on the way down. Come on, folks. All right, DraftKings looking all right here. Where's the Apple? Did Apple get clapped here? Nope. Apple's not getting sparked with these moves in the SPY. SPY selling now? Yeah, it came down to the 200 and bounced. And Apple didn't really do it yet. Where's Micron AMD? Micron flatlining. AMD has earnings. Watch this. AMD coming down to that 200 here. Yeah, where's the 1 minute on the SPY? That's the AMC. I don't want that. I want this. Yeah, the SPY 1 minute is fucking silly. Absolutely silly. GME crossed down on the daily. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna see a little bit more red until we see the market pick a direction back to the upside. You're gonna see a little bit of red on Amy and Jimmy. It's just, or Amy's flatlining here, finding this level of support. But again, if the market starts to string along days where it really starts to see a bunch of red, you're gonna have to be careful with it, because even though we're showing some good levels of support here in this 15 range, it could start to break and come back down like we've seen it do before. HD getting spanked. Uh-oh. Home Depot. Yeah, HD's coming down. Okay, Jimmy new lows. Where's Oxy? Because oil was looking interesting. Oxy running here. Oil's coming back up, and Oxy's looking okay. What are the chances of SPY being a meme today? I would say pretty likely. I mean, Oxy looks... Fuck. I might go really small on Oxy and play with the stop. Like, play with the stop on Oxy that I would typically have. Like, that's kind of my plan with Oxy maybe right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think Oxy loves the shark fin. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna do a tiny little trade. It looks like it's got a nice little cross here. Oil's coming back up. I don't know, but I'll any Oxy trade that I take is always really small. I don't know. I'm trying to see. We're waiting. It's still early. Amy's still fighting at those highs over here. 1535. SPY trying to come back up. Why is SPY so volatile today? It's not. This is not very volatile yet on the SPY. It's up 0.07%. It's not moving right now. So watch that. Today could be a day where you just don't want to make a whole lot of trades and you just wait for Powell and the reaction off of that. So waiting on Oxy. Amy getting a little bit of a fear candle back down here. In and out of Oxy, 17%, $150. At a boy. There you go. Yeah, Oxy loves to have these little pops up. The SPY coming back up here a little bit. Yeah, we'll leave Oxy for now. Apple getting a little bit of a pop. AMD, Micron chip makers. Where's Tesla? AMD. I'm back above 90 over here. Let's see. We got Tesla trying to do its thing as well. Vancouver benchmark home prices up 18.9% year over year in April. Holy shit. That's a lot. That is a lot. ATVI moving. Not really. I mean, it's up 0.63%. Jimmy's over here making new lows. They're selling off the Jimmy. They are selling off Jimmy. Big cap stocks like Apple, Google, Microsoft selling off as institution. Expect further market sell-off in May with Powell rate hikes. Yep. NVIDIA. Yeah, everything's looking kind of flickery over here. The only thing that I kind of like is Oxy. Because it can go. Like, even to the downside, like, there's nothing really tanking. Kings was one that was running up a little bit here. How's it doing now? And it's bouncing off the 13. The FOMC report comes out at 2 p.m. tomorrow, and then we get Powell speaking at 2:30 Eastern. So that's what we're seeing on Wednesday, tomorrow. DraftKings wants to make a little bit of a move here. Let's see what we're going to get. Actually, look at it here. Where's oil? I'll get a little baby one. I'm going to get a little baby one. Playing with the stop on a typical trade. They're not filling me at this? That's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. All right. So tiny Oxy trade here. So let's see what happens with this. SPY flickering here. Amy's now coming down. Let's see what this effect is going to have in oil. Coming back a little. Yeah, there Oxy goes. New highs on Occidental. I think the market could be a little quiet today. SPY's not really doing a whole lot. Jamie down 3%. That's no fun. Amy down 1.5. Oxy's looking all right here, though. Yeah. New highs. Amy bull trap. Not necessarily a bull trap. It's just it likes to pop in the morning and shark. Here comes SPY on the way down. Where's Apple? Remember, Apple was looking good to the downside on those crosses if the SPY was going to start breaking that 200. And here it goes. Exxon to sell Romania an affiliate for over $1 billion. Check Exxon. Exxon running up here a little bit. Moderna. I fucking hate Moderna, but if it's going to go. Oh, it's selling. Apple. Yeah, it popped. I honestly don't like the way Apple's moving today, especially with the SPY. All right, people. Let's see. Amy, pretty big red over here. Where's Oxy? Flickering. Good luck on my exams today. Thank you. I appreciate that. If this was November, they'd say tax loss harvesting. Yeah. Where's oil? Yeah, it's flatline in here. Oil's just down about 1%. And Oxy looks like it wants to get a little spicy. Who knows though? Oxy loves the shark fin, so that's why I went really, really, really tiny on it. Is the SPY moving down? Let's see. Here it comes. Here it comes. There it goes down. That's the thing with Oxy. It loves to go sharky on everybody. So yesterday, Oxy was a little bit of a weird one. We'll see. What's the 1 minute looking like on this? It bounced off the 1 minute. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. DraftKings coming down now. Where's Apple? Nope, not doing it. Oxy makes shark fin here. Yeah, I think it could too. That's why I'm playing with the stop on it. That's why I'm just kind of leaving it here just to see. But it's so tiny. It's just like, all right, well, just leave it. Have a little fun with it, with oil potentially running back into the green. But does the ticker like Tesla follow the SPY? Does the SPY follow Tesla? Typically they just move in tandem. They move together. One moves, the other moves. SPY moves, the other moves. It's a little bit of a push and pull on both of them. Little bit of a push and pull across the board. All right, folks. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Oxy looks all right. SPY pulling back up. Tiger. Tiger looking all right. Lulu, how's Lulu doing? Down. Not doing it here. Jimmy's bouncing off the lows, but Jimmy's down another 2.7 today. Amy's down 1.77. Let's see. PayPal. PayPal's running. Check a firm. All right, PayPal selling off here. Where's a firm? Firm coming down now. Square. Square selling off here too. Yeah, PayPal looks like it wants to move down here. I think PayPal's going to have the best deal on the chain. SPY's really respecting that 200 EMA in the 5 minute right now. SPY pulling back up. Your Disney puts are about to return to greatness. There you go. Good luck, buddy. Good freaking luck. All right. 14.98 on Amy over here, down about 28 cents. Remember, we saw this yesterday too. It hit 61 and then rallied back up to 15. Let's see what we're gonna get here. SPY still coming down. PayPal wants to bleed a little here. No. Yeah, it has not picked its direction yet today. The SPY is flickering red-green here. SPY crossing down on the 3-minute. Yeah, but look right here. Ready? Above the 200 EMA on the 3-minute too, and the 5-minute it's respecting its 200 as well. Careful. PayPal bouncing back up. Amy bouncing back up. Like this is, I think you're going to see a lot of flickering back and forth. Oxy new highs over here. Oxy's making some new highs, pulling up here nicely. There we go. Where's TLT? TLT's running here. Chat is slow today. It is slow. You guys aren't saying a whole lot. You guys are quiet today. You guys are a little quiet. Make some noise, people. Make some noise. Let's see. SRNE got pharma news they could run. They would, if they got the news, they should have just started running. That's usually how the biotechs typically work. If they get, yeah, they already kind of did it. Oxy ripping. Yeah, Gush is probably running. Where's oil right now? Oil is still down around 1%, but the oil stocks are having some fun. You're waiting on JP tomorrow? I think that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea at all. Oxy ripping here. SPY coming back up. Where's AMD? Popping back up here a little bit. Loud noises! Try the Mikey chant. Nah, the Mikey alarm is reckless. We can't be doing the Mikey alarm all the time. All right. So how are the oxys? Okay, so the oxys that I have right now are up about 10%. It's small. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit longer, but 10% on oxy is not terrible. You already made 240 with SPY contracts today. I don't know how the hell you did that, but good for you, buddy. Good for you. Good for you, pal. Yeah, Amy 1505. Hard MF. I don't want to hear your shit today. We're going to need you to keep it down. We're trying to nap? No. No. Yeah, SPY is really flat right now. It's only down 0.09%. Very, very, very flat. Starbucks 1348. Starbucks has earnings after hours today. Ooh, that looks dirty. That looks a bit dirty. Starbucks has earnings after hours today, too. You said to say something, then tell Hardem to shut up. He's like a broken record of like being upset with it, even though we're sitting here every day helping people learn how to trade. And he's just like, no. I'm like, okay, I don't want to hear it. Where's Oxy? Sharkin? Nope. Palantir? This is sub 10. I'm going to be interested. Oh, nope. I know. Just kidding. I know. All right, people. Oxy new highs 59.94. That 60 breakout could be a little spicy. These contracts are up like 11% right here. Oh, there it is. Oxy ripping. Oxy ripping. Nice. I like it. I like it. Amy with a little bit of a pop back up here. Starbucks little pop off the low. GME little pop off the low here too. Down $1.60 right here. GME is trading at 117.97. AMC's at 15.19. So still above 15 over here. Placed my bet. Squirrel Bear today. I would wait till it cracks the 200, buddy. I don't know what you're doing there. I mean, if it's a YOLO and you're playing small, run it. But oh yeah, Oxy's a dirty dog over here. Oxy is a dirty dog. 21% on these contracts here on Oxy. 22%. Nice. Let's see if it holds this 60 and starts to run. Wow. I just saw an ask or a bid on Oxy contracts for thousands of contracts. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's interesting. 1.5% allocation. Exactly. So you're good to go. All right, let's see. GME flickering around here. We got you guys want to do an Ortex update really quick? GME Ortex. 19.68% estimated short interest, 64,800 net borrow, 6.32% average cost to borrow, 6.56% max. So max cost to borrow is coming down on Jimmy. Amy was a little bit higher yesterday. Let's see what we get here. 2.11% max right here, 1.84% average in terms of the cost to borrow, 18.91% estimated short interest, 446,000 net borrow today. So Oxy sharking back down a little bit here. Let's see what this is going to be. Elon tweet on Redbox? No way. No way. Hold on. Oops, that's wrong. The Elon. What is the Elon saying? Oh, the flicking the tiger's balls? No. I don't see anything on that. No, I don't see anything on that. Yeah, a little shark on Oxy here. Spy popping back up. Watch what was running? DraftKings? Watch DraftKings. Yeah, DraftKings starting to get a little spicy to the upside. Not really. Putin tells Macron West must stop supplying weapons to Ukraine. That's been a narrative that we've seen a lot of. The West supplying weapons to Ukraine, and they don't want. So that could be a little bit of a cause for a little bit more conflict here. All right, let's see. Guys, you are killing it on the like button today. Thank you guys for all the engagement on the streams. That really helps out a whole lot. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Rivian running up here a little bit now. Yeah, Rivian getting spicy. Rivian. It's up 5% right now. Spy flickering. AMD's ripping. Yeah, AMD's getting a nice little pop here. %19 on the Oxy. Yeah, AMD looks spicy. They're so expensive, though. Where's Micron? Micron running up here a little bit. Those will be a little bit cheaper. Those will be a little bit cheaper. Spy flickering. Yeah, Micron looks all right here. Rivian was running hard. Lucid was running as well, I believe. Yeah, Micron looks good here. I want a little bit of Micron. I want a little baby Micron to flip. So let's see what happens with this. I got a little. Oh, they didn't fill me? Come on. All right. I got a little Micron just to see. So let's see. We have the Oxy and the Micron. Let's see how these play out. Oxy looking still good over here. Micron, these are going to be for a quick flip. I'll just take it at the stop. Spy running here. This is a little rim off the 48. New highs on Micron. There it is. AMD's probably pushing here too. Yeah, AMD is pushing, coming up. Spy's coming up. Here we go. Micron looking spicy over here. Nice. Nvidia's probably moving up too. Micron's just a little bit cheaper. That's why I went with Micron. Nvidia's running up. Amy's popping back up into the green. Jimmy just went green. Here we go. SPY is over here making some new highs. Nvidia's running up. Let's see where Micron is over here. Micron's on a little bit of a pop here. I like this. Here we go. Ooh, the Oxy sharked a little bit here. The Microns are up a little bit, which is nice. Yeah, Amy and Jimmy's getting across and above the 200 EMA here. SPY looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Let's see what happens. I'm up 6% on these Microns right now. 8%. 10%. Here we go. Here we go. Amy getting a little pop. Come on, Micron. Do your thing here. This is on a nice little spurt up here. I'm probably going to take these quick. 12%. Yep. Hold on. Micron looking like it wants to break new highs over here. Nope, didn't do it. Came back down. These are up about 12% right here. I think I'll just take that. Yeah, these are up. These are up nicely here. I'm going to take them right here. See if I can get filled. Yep, filled it. Nice little 12% gain on Micron right here. Thank you very much. In and out in like a minute or two. That was easy. Thank you very much. Yeah, Jimmy's popping back up. Yeah, Micron can shark, and I don't trust this SPY move to the upside, so I'm leaving that here. AMD is on a run ahead of earnings right now. Jobs and durable good numbers came out. That might be what it is. Hold on. U.S. March durable goods orders increased 1%, 1.1%, estimated 0.8. Fed says FOMC meeting begins at 10 a.m. as scheduled. That's when they meet, and then they report to us. Yeah, SPY still moving up. Let's see these Micron. I don't know. Where's Oxy? Little shark here. A little bit of a sharky shark. Coin is up 6%. There you go. Yeah, nice little Micron gain there. That was fun. All right, people. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with algorithm. Come on, SPY 425. That would be ridiculous. Yep, Micron looks like it wants to make some new day highs over here. There it goes. Oh, nope. Nope. All right, Amy popping back up 15 cents over here. SPY doing its thing. Oh, Micron new day highs, 71.80. Is there an FOMC meeting today? Well, yes, but not one that we see. That's tomorrow. What else were you looking at? Apple. Did it reverse? Yeah, Apple got a little bit reversey over here. I want SPY to cool and then come back up. Micron. Running. Let's see. Mazda North America says April sales are down 3.3% year over year. Interesting. Yeah, so if you're still in those Microns, you're killing it. I took mine at like 12%. Those are probably up 20 right now. Let me see what I sold mine at and what they are now. Yeah, those are up more. Those are probably up around 20% here. Twitter. I don't really want to trade any options on Twitter because they could just come out closing the deal and then it's done. Snap is running. Where's DraftKings? Because that's another one that could run. DraftKings is moving up slowly here. SPY wants to get a little spicy. SPY's up 0.36. MU. Shark. Ryan, it's not going to. You're fine. Don't do anything stupid with your money, Ryan. Stop being you're being a little willy-nilly here, bud. You gotta relax a little bit. Don't dump it all in at once. You're crazy. All right. Oh, hold on. Natural gas futures jumps more than 8%. Peak since September 2008. Oh, Jesus. UNG probably up 10% here. Oh, 7. UNG is moving up here a little. Where's oil? Oil's coming back. Oil could go green right here. Watch Oxy. Amy running up here. 1541. Nice. Nice. Micron, where's this beast? Little shark on Micron. Quick, 20% on Neo. There you go, man. There you freaking go. What are my oxys at? 15%. Not bad. Gush is ripping. Yeah, that's oil and natural gas, I believe. Oops, that's not Gush. Yeah, Gush is up a lot. So Exxon, how's this doing? Shark and Exxon here. Oxy, how's this doing? It's flickering a little. Yeah, GME is green here. GME went down a decent amount. Just flickered back into the red. Amy's up 8 cents. Spy's getting a little shark here. Like number 574. Hugh, I appreciate that, buddy. Mason, thank you so much for the super. Can you check out Tesla, please, sir? On the road, just listening. Yes, sir, I can. I can definitely check out some Tesla for you. So Tesla is up 1.26% right now. It's coming down, though, on the 5 minutes. It's at 914 right now. So SPY is now coming down to the 13 EMA on the 5 minute. This would give a little bit of a potential for a rim here. This has got some rim potential. See, I'm happy with that sell on Micron. Let's check back in on the Occidental. Oxy, shark. Even though oil's coming back up, though. So we'll see what happens with oil. How much is the free stream today? You just answer that question for yourself. There is no stream fees. The only thing that I ask for is that you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot with Al Gore's rhythm over here. Rim job. Yeah, it might do it. Yeah, it's trying to get across up here on the MACD as well. Are the oxys up right now? The oxys are up 7%. All right, so SPY is now coming back down. Where's oil? Oil wants to go green. T-Doc. Oh, boy. Is Kathy slapping the ask again? She's trying. It's up 5.88% over here. Element OP took all your money? No. No. All righty, folks. Market wide shark fin. Yeah, a little bit. Little bit sharky over here. Ever since you turned on the bell, you haven't had any wonkiness with your stream? Yeah, guys, make sure you guys have bell notifications turned on. So click that bell. Make sure you guys can get back in here. Let's see. Shark everywhere. Micron. Dude. Stealing money from market makers. It's too easy. Give me my 12% and I will leave. That's literally all I'm doing these days. It's like take the small gains and then literally just play the 4 hour. Yesterday I held some SPY contracts for fun, but glad you got out of Redbox at 1040. What? Redbox at 1043? Jesus, dude. Redbox was a beast. It's coming down now. Amy back down to that 200 EMA right here, down about 9 cents. Starbucks still coming down. Did it ever get a relief bounce? Nope. Lucid Shark Fin. Told ya. Lewis selling. Yeah, I don't know about these Starbuckses. Watch 7350. Bobby, Bed Bath & Beyond, is it running? Bobby running? Bobby trying to get a little spicy. It's up about 1.2% right here. Redbox not done. Now number one on short squeeze on Fintel. That means zero. That means zero. Short squeeze means nothing. Tiger up. HD down. Lulu down. Lulu bouncing here. Let's see. Sue Ray, thank you so much for being a member, man. Shout out to all the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. Hit the like, gang. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so Amy over here just hanging around that 200 EMA. Where's Oxy? I think it's sharked. Yeah, Oxy sharked here, coming down to the 5-minute 13. Where's oil right now? Yeah, oil came back down. Welltower made an all-cash offer for Healthcare Realty Trust. Well, this thing looks like it's gonna get spicy. Amy moving back down here. Where's Starbucks? No, hasn't cracked it yet. My final start at 1 today, which suck. Spy moving down here. Yeah, here comes Starbucks. Yeah, these contracts aren't really moving on Starbucks. I don't think I'm gonna touch it. Yeah, we took a look at Bobby. It's only up like 1.2. Yeah, it's sharp. Jimmy coming back down. What else we were looking at on the put side? Apple was one of them. Not moving a whole lot though. DraftKings. Nope. 4 hour is a swing. 4 hours all a swing. All right, folks. Let's see. Yeah, Spy little pop off the 200 again. Let's see. This is what I'm expecting for today now. Unless something crazy happens, which is possible, and you start to see buyers and sellers really go wild, you're probably just going to see it flicker around for most of the day. So we kind of already made our money on it. Where's Oxy right now? Oxy pop. Waiting for sub 100 on Jimmy. Got 20K ready. More to come. Damn. McConnell says leak of Supreme Court abortion. Oh, I probably shouldn't have said that. Opinion should be investigated. All right. The Oxy premiums are moving a little bit wonky. How many days am I holding? I buy contracts on the 4 hour for a month or 2 out. That's usually what I do. It's like a month or 2 out on the 4 hour. So Oxy's looking all right over here. Looking decent. Bum 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 dun, dun. All right, Oxy trying to make that move back up to 60 right here. Spy bouncing up. Flicker all day. The world awaits Powell. That's what I'm thinking too. Just a big flicker day here. So I'm probably the only thing that I have right now. We took the 12% on the Micron. I've got this tiny Oxy trade here that's literally just the stop that I would use on another position. So, I mean, I'm just going to ride this out and see what happens with oil today. I may even hold this overnight. Like, what's up with the 4 hour on Oxy? I mean, the Oxy got a 4 hour cross. So, I mean, I might as well hold this for a little bit. It's tiny. Spy moving back up here. If you can't say that word, maybe Elon should buy Google. I don't know. I'm just thinking like they might ding me for something. YouTube already hates us and like doesn't recommend the streams anymore. Strangle the Spy for the Fed tomorrow. Okay, so here's what you can do on the Fed tomorrow, which don't do this, but this is what you can do. You need to play really small. because the movement after at 2 p.m. is when the movement's going to happen when the FOMC report comes out. It's going to well, it usually goes a little bit crazy. Now, there was that one time we saw the FOMC meeting where it made the move before and then it was a dud on the actual time. So if you get the contracts about 30 minutes before, you get a little bit of a strangle that expires that day, cheap, and you don't really put very much money into them because it gets volatile. You can actually hit it on both sides because the first move is usually the wrong move and it moves big. So let's say it moves down big. You print on the puts, you take it out. Let's say you make 30, 40, 50 crazy percent, maybe something wild. But then you hold the calls and it ends up ripping back up. You make money on both sides with the strangle. You can try that out, but again, that's a YOLO, and I would be very careful with that. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla speaks on earnings call. Schumer said, Schumer, quiet. All right, Amy back down below 15, 1498 here. All righty, folks. Let's see. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in too. Today's a little bit slow so far, but let's see what we're going to get. You put your life savings on the SPY call at market open. Got it? Oh, no, that's stupid. That's a dumb thing to do. If you did that, I would make fun of you for being dumb. Let's see. All right. SPY is barely green right now. Barely green. Premium burn day so far. They are burning it out. Where's Micron and AMD? Dude, thank you on the Micron. Give me my 12%. That's why you take profits quick, people. Because it does this shit. And it flickers around. Unless I'm playing the 4-hour or it's like a really small play and we've already made our money that day and we're trying to swing stuff into the end of the day, I'm not holding stuff. This market is too volatile. You see 12, 15, 20% out. It's going to go doom. You think so, Squirrel? Let's see. John, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thoughts on how Ethereum is looking? Let's look. It's down 4%. Again, Ethereum moves like a wild boy. So, I mean, it's got this 4-hour cross up here. It's just kind of hovering the 13. Can it extend off of it? Absolutely, it can. It's just, when's it going to happen? You're almost like spray and praying with Ethereum because it all of a sudden, it can just rip. Let's see. Lockheed hunts for workers as U.S. Ramps up Javelin production. Okay, hold on. LMT, Lockheed. Lockheed running up on this a little bit here. I mean, we used to trade Lockheed and just make stupid money on it. What's up, brother? Good morning from LA. What's up, Ivan? How you doing, buddy? Hopefully you're having a good morning, dude. It's early over there for you guys. It's what, 7 a.m. there? That's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's early, but it's not that early. How does a recession affect our AMC play? It's going to go down significantly. Most likely, AMC would come down significantly. If the market's going to tank, AMC is probably going to come down. Henry's trying to make a move. Yeah, Henry's making a move up here, up 2%. All right, let's see. SPY flicker. Where's oil? We'll see. We will see. Shark. Check out ANY looking like it could break. Any stock, I wouldn't touch this. Up every morning, 5:30. Done trading by 1. West Coast trading. Yeah, that's early, dude. I couldn't be me. IMPP popping. Oh, are we going to get another pop on those oil plays today? So IMPP is running. Where's CEI? And then Indo. CEI is not running. What about Indo? Indo is up a little bit, but IMPP is getting a pop. Wally. Uh-oh. Wally, nice little pop here. Is Tiger getting one too? Nope. HD. A little bit. Little bit. Market's just flatlining right now. Let's see. I think the smart move with AMC is keep a dry powder on silence for a few weeks, months, play other things in the meantime. Always looking for a chance to load up on AMC below 10. Yeah, exactly. If it comes down, it's going to come down. Like, there's nothing that we can do about it. If the market's going to capitulate, we cannot control it. If it comes back up, we're going to move back up with it. All right. Spy, little flickery over here. Please don't say is the Fed speaking today. I'm going to lose my mind. The Fed is having a meeting right now, but it's not a meeting that we can see. And then tomorrow we get the report and Powell speaking. Good morning. How you doing, man? Got to take what the market gives you. Exactly, dude. That's why I'm in and out like that Micron play. I was just quick. Oxy's a little different because we've seen it do wild things with the oil prices recently. I went really small on it. Really, really, really small. What are they down? Like 1% right now? To flat. My Oxy contracts are flat. Another day, another dollar? Yep. All right. Spy moving down a little bit here. Tiger strong. Tiger. Moving up a little bit here. Boom, boom. Amy 14.99. Fridge? I don't know. Tiger does look strong here. Did you take your ADHD meds? You're calm now compared to before? No, I don't have ADHD. Maybe I do, and that's why I'm hyper productive all the time. Tiger's coming up here nicely, though. All right, Oxy, what are we doing? Flickering, flatline. 1502 on Amy. Jimmy, coming down. Verizon popping up. Let's see. Why would you want to diminish that? Exactly. Yeah, Verizon's popping here. Verizon likes to shark, though. Careful. What about Para? Para still getting busted? Nah, not really. What were we looking at before? Micron? Micron, you're making me feel so good about playing these two candles right here. Oxy, little pop back up. Starbucks earnings today. Yeah, is it still coming down? S-Bucks. Nope. Oil, nice bounce off the 200 on the 5. Oil or Oxy? Wally up. Yeah, Wally and Tiger are looking good. Wally running. Hold on. Wally is looking interesting here. Huh. Interesting. Okay, Wally. We'll keep an eye on you. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on. Let me take a look at something. Wait, what? Diana! Is Diana still in here? Federales, when? We can call them the Federales. I'm down with that. We can call them the Federales, but we cannot call them the Feds. Okay? How about that? Federales sounds cool. Feds, it sounds like nails on a chalkboard to me. Spy popping back up here a little bit. Oh, JT. Hold on, where's all right? Diana's definitely not here. Did I get Exxon? No, I got Oxy though. Exxon running. I have a tiny little Oxy trade right now. So that's looking good. Exxon is looking good. Exxon also sold off a stake of something that it owned for like $1 billion. Oxy also has a 4-hour cross that just happened today. So, I mean, it's small. I might hold this until the end of the week. It is a weekly, but we'll see. Los Federales. Be careful when calling them the Federales. Remember, you're an international coke dealer. I am an international coke dealer. Not a dealer, a smuggler. Remember? I'm a smuggler. By accident. I was an All right, Oxy coming back up here. I'm up 12% on those contracts. Oxy smuggler. Oh, sorry, you were the mule. Exactly. I'm the pretty lady from the Wolf of Wall Street that smuggles the money. Remember in the scene where they like strap money to people and try to get it to like Sweden? That's me. They play me in the movie. Henry's running. Nice. You headed to Miami to get one of them go fast boats? You cracked my plan. You figured out my plan. All right, Spy moving back up here. Oxy's looking like a absolute beast. Oh, Squirrel, what'd you send me? Tiger? Oh, dude, that's awesome. I love this Tiger Global stuff. Just flash a little ankle. I mean, I do it a lot by accident. HD hunting for the cross. Where's Wally? Wait, are Wally and Tiger moving with these moves? Not really. Tiger might be because it kind of lagged. Yeah, Tiger's moving up with it. HD is probably doing it too right here. Yeah, HD is hunting for a cross. I would like HD in all those play on longer time frames. I just want the longer time frames on them. Henry. It's not Harry. You're calling him the wrong name. His name is Henry. Oh, Henry's actually running here. 8%. Ooh. There we go. There we go, Henry. I sent it when you called me a liar. You said Tiger. And I was like, oh, Target. And I was like, no, they're not. All right, people. Oh, Henry running, dude. Woo! Pfizer running on earnings. Could they have their call right now? How much are they up? A little bit. A little bit. Where's my Occidental? Dude, just run. Just Oxy, go. Hagrid is really moving. Don't you dare call Henry Hagrid. That is not allowed. Retail's not scalping Spy anymore. Not today. Today, that would be a silly idea. Spy moving. If Spy breaks the high, I mean, I don't know. I want to hear Powell. Will 1348 help you with your addiction? You bought 3 more AMC today and can't stop? It should help you with your addiction. It should give you it if you're playing it correctly, it should give you a little bit more money to buy AMC if you want to. That's the goal. Let's see. And again, guys, yeah, we're alerting you for free on over 450 stocks on the 4-hour time frame, and we're giving you, I think it's 10 stocks right now on the 5-minute for free. The link to the free part of the Discord's in the top of the live chat over there. But if you like, everybody's usually just in the premium chats talking about stocks and stuff. So you're really just going to get the alerts. If you really want to take it seriously, get all the live streams, you can sign up for premium. You get the trading algorithms too. Trader Joe is killing it right now. AMC to the somewhere. Yep. No, Powell talks tomorrow. Our boy Jay Powell will be talking tomorrow. Oh, my oxys are up 15%. Thank you. The fridge is moving. Fridge is running. Is your fridge running? You better go catch it. Yeah, fridge is running. Fridge is running here nicely. You better go catch it. Oh, okay. Jay Powell right in the kisser. Oxy, run. Oxy, stop being such a hoe. You're up 60% on 518 and 513 SPY calls. Should you close? I can't tell you what to do. Oh, SPY new highs. Mr. Spy, what you doing here, pal? What are you doing here, buddy? Mr. Spy is rimming the 13. Mr. Spy, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Spy? That's the wrong way, Spy. Nah, Spy, I don't want to go poppy pop today. Occidental Petroleum. My Oxy. I like Oxy. All right, I might do something slightly reckless here, but like not really. What's this on the 1 minute? Just cross back here. These fuckers, I missed it. I like kind of want some SPY calls here. Like I want to scalp them, but I don't know if it's gonna hold here. I mean, it just got the 5-minute MACD cross. Let's see. Can I give a price prediction on Amy for after earnings? A 500,000. It doesn't matter what I say. It has no. It doesn't matter. Like my price prediction means 0 to anybody. It should mean 0 to everybody. All right, I'm gonna get a little baby one here. It got that 416.50 breakout. I want to see if it holds and then starts running back up. Ooh. Spicy, spicy, spicy. Spicy on the SPY here. Let's see what she's going to do. Oxy running up here nicely. I like it. SPY. I see you with this MACD cross here, pal. Pal. All right, let's see what we're going to get. SPY, time for boom. The only thing is that on the 1 minute, I feel like it wants to test this 13, and I really don't want that. That I do not want. So we'll see. DraftKings earnings this Friday? Yeah, DraftKings earnings pre-market this Friday. Yeah, I have a really, really tight stop on this. So if it goes down, see, I'm telling you, yeah, it wants to touch this 13 on the 1 minute. I'm telling you. Let's see. You want it to get overextended so you can get puts? Yeah, I would agree with you there. It's respecting this 13 here. If it doesn't, I will be out. Let's see. Let's see. Oxy still looking spicy. Dun 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 dun. Alrighty here. It's rimming. And out. No, thank you. Actually, hold on. Where is this? It still hasn't cracked it yet. Hasn't cracked it yet. SPY's barely green right now. Yeah, that's it right there. No. Jamie coming down, SPY moving down. Yeah, get this shit out of here. Stop. All right, let's see. SPY, that wasn't very nice of you. That was not very nice of you, SPY, on that 1 minute cross and this shit right here, being an asshole. Let's see if it comes down and rims the 13 over here. All right. Oxy coming down to touch the 13 again. Bill Gates will be speaking at 3:30 p.m. when he's been to prepare for the next global pandemic. Who gives a fuck what Bill Gates has to think about the pandemic? I'd give zero fucks about what Bill Gates has to say about the pandemic. Zero. Sorry. He needs to shut up and go back to managing his stupid charity. But that's not a charity. That's just his way of tax harvesting. Sorry. That was aggressive. That was a bit aggressive. I didn't mean it. I did mean it, though. I did mean it. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Helps out a whole lot with Algore's rhythm over here. Let's see. SPY looks like it wants to bleed here on the 1 minute. It's coming down to the 13 on the 5. It's been rimming, though. SPY break it. Ooh, nope. Bill Gates needs to fix the viruses on Microsoft first. That was a good joke. That was a top tier joke there. That was a top tier joke. I love when trade spotting goes bipolar and he just starts ranting. It's hilarious. I love it. Look at the 200 on the SPY 15-minute. Where is it? That's the wrong fucking chart. Ah, I see. At this point, AMC seems destined to hit what? Where is this? 12 to 13? Yeah, probably. With the market doing what it's doing right now, most likely, yeah. Is there anything that we can do about it? No. We're going to sit here and make our money trading, and then we're going to do our thing. Let's see. Jimmy coming down a little here. Micron, where's this going? Spaghetti. Where's the tiger? Oh. Let's see. What do you think about the thought that AMC will speed to most before recession hits due to limited capital available? No. They will make the money on the shorts. Don't think that. Unless everybody goes out of business, then no. SPY bounced off the 200 on the 1 minute here. Let's see. Bing bong, the price is wrong. Ugh. All right. SPY looks like it wants to sell here. Bum, 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 bum. All right. The 1 minute EMA slap. Yeah, they're pretty good, dude. Look at this one. A little crossy cross here. This one sucked. This one was not a good one. This one looks a little aggressive to the downside here. Yeah, SPY looks like it wants to come down here a little bit. Let's see. It's below the 200 on the 1 minute. Oops. And then tiger moving down. Amy moving down. I don't know. It's got a lot of noise around here. 30% on SPY puts. There you go, buddy. Where's this on the 5? Through the 48. All right, let's see. Yeah, SPY selling here. It's selling. It's selling. Let's see. SPY's back into the red here. Nice sell-off in the market going into the FOMC decision is all good. Yeah, this could be the decision that the SPY wants to. This could be like the decision time where SPY's like, all right, time to go down, or it just doesn't. Did it come back? Nah, closing candle below this 48 here. Up, back into the green on the SPY. Bing bong. Let's see. You want A and Y? Are you doing your penny stock stuff again? The sphere one? Yeah. It's up 8%. That's not bad. Oxy above 60. Ho, 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 ho. Here comes the Oxy. There we go. Yeah, Oxy looking spicy over here. Oh, SPY knifing down here. Yeah, Oxy's running. It's above 60 here. Let's see. Showtime. Thanks for the super, buddy. ITP squeezing. Finally going up. Yeah, ITP up 7% right now. Let's see. SPY starting its move down here. Watch the 414 break. If it, oh, there it is. Ooh, Oxy, I think, is running here. Oxy running. SPY's looking a little flickery over here. YOLO SPY puts 387s. Holy shit. That's kind of wild. That's a little bit of wild behavior over there, Mitch. Yeah. Watch out here on SPY. Where's the 200? Oh, 413.91. It just touched the 200 and then bounced right off of it. So watch out on SPY puts. If it cracks this and starts coming lower at 414, it could sell hard, but it could just bounce from here. Let's see what it's going to do. Oxy close to a MACD cross on the daily. Oh boy, that's interessante over there. Just took a few. It was 5 cents. There you go. All right, what's this level right here? 413.79. Yeah, the 5-minute 200 is gonna weigh on it. What's that? 413.91, and it just touched it. It just tapped it just now. Just hit the first downside target of 1475. Now let's see if the second downside target of 1424 comes. Huge puts at 14 level. Yeah. SPY little pop here off the 200. Why does the VIX only go up when the market dips? Because that's the purpose of the VIX. It's going off of the implied volatility on the S&P's option chain. Let's see. Amy selling off here with the SPY. SPY's barely down, though. It's basically flat. SPY's getting a little flickery over here. Little bit flickery. All right, guys. Again, hit that like button on the way in. You guys know what to do. Oh, you guys are killing it today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Let's see. All right, SPY. What are we going to do here, pal? Might be coming down for another test of 414. That would be interesting. You had to search me up this morning? Fucking YouTube, bro. YouTube playing games with the streams. SPY getting a couple of candles here. 19% on your last SPY put. There you go. Watch this 200 EMA break here. That's what you got to look for. The 200 EMA break on the 5 minutes could be dirty. And it's not doing it yet. It doesn't want to do it. Well, doesn't like it. Let's see. Jimmy coming back up a little. SPY getting a little pop here. Oh, it will? The break of the 200? It could. Just give it some time. It's popping back up now. Back into the green. SPY coming up for a 13 test here. Resistance at this 48 most likely. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, SPY's flickering red green here. Let's see what Amy's doing. Whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Squirrel, what's it gonna do? Squirrel wants puts on it today. Squirrel was saying that he really wanted the puts on it. Oxy's flickering. All right, here's the 200 EMA test of the 1 minute. Here we go. Let's see what it does. All righty, folks. Flatline. Wants to come back up through. Let's see. You initially wanted it to run. Now I want it to come down because weak price action. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. It's just watch that 200 EMA on the 5 minute here. If it can crack that, that'll be interesting. If it can't, it's just going to flicker around the whole day. I mean, Oxy's looking strong over here. Where's oil? I think down 0.73. Yeah, SPY pop. Little poppity pop on SPY. Crack it! Yeah, I won't do it right now. It's about to get a 1 minute MACD cross. I don't think it's going to do it. It just bounced right off of it. Oxy pop. Let's see. Oxy needs to get a little spicy here in order for it to really start to get going. It's got that 5 minute MACD cross down. Pfizer in talks with the European Union for Paxlovid contract. SPY ripping back up here. Oxy didn't shark fin? Not yet. It could, though. I mean, it's holding up nicely today. It's just hovering. Just kind of hovering. Let's see. Oxy popping back up. Oh, my mouse is all screwed up here. Hold on. Let's see. All right, guys. Hey, I'm going to run to the bathroom really quick. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I'll be right back. All right. Amy coming down. What's SPY doing? Flicker. Oxy looking okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Let's see what we're going to get here. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are coming back in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Very slow day in the market right now. It's slow. The only thing that's really ripping here is oil. Oxys are up like 20% here. Oxy making a little bit of a move back up here. Let's see. SPY's coming back up. Crypto's still struggling. Yeah, everything's struggling today except for Oxy. All right. Amy 1482. SPY pop. Bouncing off that 200 here. Ooh, Oxys are looking good. Risking a little on SPY puts, just feeling that Bitcoin is trying to keep going down. Feels like the end of the big sell-off coming. It easily could be. Easily could be. Here comes Oxy back up here. Here we go. Spicy. Spicy on Oxy. Amy coming down. SPY rejected here. No, I'm not humming Mr. Sandman. Diarrhea. Oh, you guys are wild. You guys are wild. All right, let's see what we're going to get. SPY rejected the 4-hour 13. Is that this? %22 on the Oxy. Nice. Yep. Didn't like it over here. What's the 4-hour 13 out? 415.50. So it's above it right now. Yeah, SPY's being a little bit wonky today. SPY's a little bit of a wonky guy. Just gonna kind of leave it here. All right, so GME is doing these 13 test new lows. That's not really what you want to see. You got to win today. 45% on QQQ puts. My rule for May is playing puts only, except I will get AMC call options if IV gets 1.21 or lower. I would not base your AMC options purchases based on IV. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I would base it more on price action. Oxy moving up here. Like right now, even AMC's IV is probably coming down a little bit, but it makes 0 sense to buy calls. Like 0. New highs on Occidental. There we go. Push it to the limit. Oh, I just did. I just pushed it to the limit. There we go. Vin, I don't even know what you're talking about there. I think you're in your own world on that comment, buddy. Yeah, Spy's trying to get a 1 minute here. Here comes Oxy back up. Amy 1480 right now, down about 3%. Ever watch Oxy on the 1 minute? I try not to. Look at this thing. That would be terrifying. Watching Oxy on the 1 minute would be terrifying. Looks like we're having a boring grind day today. Not a lot of movement. Yeah, that's probably what we're going to see. That's most likely what it's going to be today. Just grinding it out. Let's see. All right, guys. Make AMC go up. What the fuck are you doing over here? Tapping and clicking away. This is what we do around here. I mean, we're just kind of waiting for a no play. I mean, I've got the Oxys going. Let's see what happens with that. Work some voodoo magic. AMC is not going to go up if the Spy is going to flicker around like this ahead of Powell. It's just not going to. They're not going to just be like, oh, cover. No, you have to have like overall market trending up, just like we did last time, just like we did on that last little market run. If we don't have that, it's going to be very hard to run. GME little pop here. 25% on Oxy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, Oxy new highs. Bing bong. Well, that's nice. Well, that's nice. Oxy trade's going well. You just want to wear some UGG slippers all day? Dude, it's nice. Ortex tweet about the SEC and the FTDs not coming through. Ooh, interesting. What's going on with this? Oxy continually making new highs. The SEC was supposed to release the latest fails to deliver data for the first half of April yesterday, but the file is a duplicate of the second half of March data. We reached out to notify them of the error. As soon as we get the latest FTD data, it will be on Ortex. So they didn't give the correct FTD data. Spy's coming up here a little bit. Oxy's making new highs. Come on. Am I out of energy for today? Oh. New halted for news. Puxin? What's this? I don't know what this is, but this is a weird one. Spy moving up here. Still waiting on your Freedom of Information Act SEC request from 45 days ago regarding AMC FTDs. Yeah, it's going to take a while. Remember, the SEC sucks and is slow. Oxy continually making new day highs over here. Printing. What did you miss? Nothing. Nothing crazy going on today. I mean, I hit a little Spy play and then, the Micron play and the, what do you call it? I mean, I'm up 31% on Oxy contracts right here, which is pretty nice. It's pretty nice, man. I don't know. It's not bad. The SEC doesn't make errors. Never. Yeah, exactly. They just screwed up. Ooh, Spy is running up a little bit here. Let's see. Amy moving up a little bit here. It's trying. Spy moving back down. Maybe it's time for some call puts. IMPP, yeah, that was running. Must be brutal for Burry always being early. He makes his swing put and has to wait 2 years to get paid. Yeah. Oh, SPY pop. New highs on SPY over here. There she goes. Yeah, IMPP up 9. We saw that. Oxy's looking good. Did oil go green yet? No, oil's still down almost 1% here. All righty. So 1480 on Amy over here. I mean, this looks like it's coming up, but I don't know about that. Burry got lit up on a Tesla trade last year. I bet he did. Burry was short in Tesla for a while. Pfizer executives declined to give guidance. Hold on. No guidance. Man, it didn't really move a whole lot on that. Jimmy's coming up here a little bit. Amy's kind of flatlining down 45 cents. SPY ripping here. SPY is ripping here. It is extendoed right here. Here she goes. SPY going on a little bit of a mission right now. Woo-hoo-hoo. New day high on Apple. Yeah, SPY's popping here. Yeah, they're all moving up right now. It's SPY's running here. SPY's getting up there. Amy trying to come back up, down 39 cents. Jimmy's moving up here nicely. Pfizer coming down. Where's Occidental? There you go, Oxy. New highs on SPY again, 417.72. Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft pop. You bought an Apple call early. This might save you. Yeah, Apple running up here nicely. Apple looking good here. SPY at the previous high. It's coming back down a little. Yeah, Apple crossing here. Come on. Where's Oxy? I want Oxy to get a boom. Not really. It's not doing it yet. Alrighty. Ugh. There go your SPY puts. I mean, why were you buying SPY puts? What was the thesis behind buying SPY puts? There's no 5-minute cross. GME getting back over opening price. Get over 119.22 on the 15-minute chart. Could run to 125. I don't think 125. 119 to 125 is a big move, dude. That's a big move today. Caught Tesla calls on the dip. There you go, DM Ohio. Solid. Solid there, buddy. All right. SPY, little rejection here. All right, people. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with Algore's rhythm. You hope all the puts get smoked on the SPY. Why? 422.81 is where she will reject. That would be a little crazy, man. That would be a little bit crazy if SPY ran all the way up there. That would be pretty wild. Yeah, here comes SPY. Let's see. RSI's over 80. Yeah, it's cooking right now. It's coming back up. Amy flatline, down 40 cents, not doing anything. Jimmy coming back up here a little bit. SPY does get those $20 swing days. Yeah, but today, before the Fed meeting, I think that would be wild. I think that's crazy behavior out of the market to try and do that today. Like crazy behavior. Oxy's still hanging up here nicely. Let's see. SPY's flickering around here a little bit. Amy 1488, GME 118.36. Price action's not no. This is what Amy's been doing. There's no catalyst. There's lower volume on it. 8.4 million. Not a lot of people are buying and selling this thing right now. The market is up 0.69%. Amy's down 2.61, but that's only 40 cents. It's just been kind of it's just doing its own thing. Like, again, what is going to be the alternative? Oh, it's dead. It's not moving with the market. It's like, no, it's just once the market picks its trend and direction, it will go with it, just like we've seen it happen every single time in the past. Still think SPY sell off at the end of the day. Well, I never said that, but it could. I think it easily could. SPY's selling off right now. I don't think I'm gonna do anything on the SPY today. I might just let these oxys run and then wait to hear what the Fed says and then see what the reaction is gonna be like. Because it's just pitter pattering around today. Like, yeah, you have this little spike here, these little spikes here, but it's not really doing anything significant. Like, it could easily come down and touch this 200 EMA again. What would happen if the federale said 75 basis point hike? Could the economy handle it? The economy and the stock market is very different, but the stock market would freak out. Stock market would lose its absolute mind. Let's see. Guys, the Fed's tomorrow. You can just Google it. We've said this like 8 million times too. The Fed is tomorrow. 2 p.m., then 2:30. Should I pin that somewhere and just be like, the Fed speaks tomorrow at 2:30? Tiger's having fun? Yeah, Tiger might be having a little bit of fun over here. Yeah, Tiger's running up nicely. SPY pulled up off that dip. Tiger's looking good here. SPY running here. New highs. There she goes. We will still ask you when Fed meeting. Stop. Don't do that. All right, let's see. Amy coming up to touch this 13 on the 5-minute. Looks like it wants to come back down though off of it. Da, 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 da. All right. Where's Oxy? Oxy came back down a little. Tiger looking good here. Let's see. Pedro, when Fed's meeting? You already know the answer to this, pal. You already know the answer. Thanks for the super, though. I appreciate that. Spreads on Tiger suck. Oxy up and down today? Yeah, but it's fine. What is that? 59 something? No, 60.05 coming down to the 13. That's fine. 100 more AMC on that dip. There you go, buddy. There you freaking go. All right, let's see. Walmart good, but not as good as Target. Walmart was the leader today out of Tiger and Wally. HD, what do we got? Oops. Home Depot. We're looking all right here. Where's Grandpa? Grandpa was in here earlier. Is this gonna be a SPY rug pull? I don't think so. Did I hear about the raid on Morgan Stanley in Germany this morning? What was it for? Tax fraud investigation. Makes sense. All right. A lot of Discord alerts coming through. Let me see. Tax evasion. Yeah, SPY flickering here. I probably wouldn't touch a whole lot of stuff today ahead of Powell. Like, what's the reason for it? Like, yeah, you could scalp it a little bit, but there's a lot of nonsense going on. You already Weirdo Shine. You already know the risk tolerance in the rules of 1348. You guys already know the risk tolerance. 20%. 10% on a play, 20% stop loss. 15% stop loss. That's what it is. It's the same for everybody. It's the same for everybody in the Discord. We all follow the same rules. We do we look at the same stuff. It's all a system, and that's why it works so well. So if you guys want to try out those alerts, though, we alert you on over 450 stocks for free on the 4-hour. We give you a couple of stocks on the 5-minute too. The link to the free part of the Discord is in the top of the live chat there. Make sure you guys go sign up if you're interested. Let's see. Ortex on everything. Sam, stop it. Stop it. Oxy, where are you? Come on now, Oxy. Sometimes you break the rules. Yeah, how's that go for you? Sometimes it probably goes very well, or sometimes it probably goes very terribly. Just got back from Gabe, another awesome live stream. There you go, man. Make sure you guys are learning over there. 40 private live streams every single month for you guys. It's actually more than that. Use a 5% stop more than use a 15. You can do that if you give yourself a little bit more time and make your contracts less volatile. HD new day. New day high, really? Yeah, HD. No, HD little pop though. Yeah, SPY moving back up here. It's a penny off the day high. Let me see. SPY trying. Where's the Occidental? Oxy, go! Go, Oxy! Go, Oxy! New highs on SPY. Market needs to stop it. Sam, you want puts? Down SPY, down. This is only point. It's like less than 1% of a move. Let's see. Oxy going for a run again. It's trying. It's trying. Tiger 4-hour chart? I don't think so, but it could. No, not yet. Not yet. It's close. It's not there yet, though. Learn to trade support and resistance and use 1348 on top of it. Yeah, guys, if you saw, like, you got to look at the, like, literally just go into the free. I think we give you the charts in the free as well. But you guys get the charts. You get support and resistance, shaft trend cycle, RSI, 1348, like where they're crossing, 200. You get everything, MACD. You get all of it on the charts, and the support and resistance lines are drawn for you. It's perfect. It's very, very, very helpful. Let's see. SPY new highs over here running up. Mm-hmm. 22% on the Occidental. Where is Oxy right now? Nope. It's just flatlining. Let's see. SB's Cougar. I mean, that's what we're there for. Pretty sure you'd happily pay $690 a month. That's pretty crazy. If you would pay $690 a month for it, that's pretty wild. I mean, it's only, what do you call it? Let me see. It's only 11:23 a.m. We got a lot of time left for the market to freak out today. Earnings after hours today? AMD is earnings. AMD has some earnings after hours today. AMD, what else? Lyft, I believe, is reporting today too. So those are the two. If you wanted to play them, you could. Can I explain Michael Burry's tweet? Which one? Bottom 13% lower than 2002's bottom in 2009. 70% lower. Oh, he's just talking about like historical trends on like what the market does right before it goes kaplooey, I think. Let's see. SPY trying to make another move back up here. Oh, that was the high. There it is. SPY, new highs. Damn. Damn, SPY. Oh, earnings today after hours. Airbnb, AMD, Starbucks, Lyft, Skyworks, Caesars. That's really it. SPY's making a nice little run here. Can Michael Burry be wrong? Absolutely, he can be wrong. All let's see. All right, people. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with algorithms. Biden says he hopes there are not enough. Okay, of course. Let's see. What about Rich Greenfield? Oh, he can definitely be wrong. He can definitely be wrong. Ping pong. What up, SV? Richard, what's up, buddy? How you doing? What is going on? Oxy's just chilling above 60. You keep waiting for the rug pull. I don't know if you're going to get it today. It could just flatline and just slowly trade. There's been no real aggressive move except for these 10, like this 10 minutes of the day. Let's see. How long does it take for eyebrows to grow back? I didn't realize how flammable powdered coffee creamer was. Why the hell are you lighting flammable coffee, like lighting coffee creamer on fire? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? That's crazy behavior that you just should not be doing. Motley Fool stock pick hacker charged with securities fraud. Hold on. What? I don't have a source for it, but that's from Fast Stock News. I wanna find a source to it. Hold on. Did he delete it? No, Motley Fool. I'm trying to find a source for it and I can't find it. They algo hijacked that thing years ago. Stock pick hacker. What the hell is this? What? Okay. Hold on. SEC lawsuits. Let me see if I can find litigation releases. Oh shit. Hold on. There's one on BTIG. Oh, I just saw this. Hold on. Order marking and locate. Wow. All right, so there's a BTIG case right here. I'm trying to find the Motley Fool one. Does anybody have it? I'm looking at. Let's see. No. So I found there's a BTIG final judgment. Oh, hold on. I got to go through. What is this one? April 29th. Microcap fraud scheme. That sounds interesting. What is this? Is this it? Yeah, that's Bitcoin. See, if it's an SEC thing, it should be on the SEC thingy, and it's just not. Did I say BBIG? No, BTIG. BTIG. It's Rich Greenfield's old firm. Biden talking? Yeah, I don't care. He never really does anything to help us, or like the market just moves the way it's gonna go. It's by 410 after tomorrow. That's your bold prediction. That's a really bold prediction, Roland. That's a bold prediction. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let me see if I can go back to this and see if I can find it. Charged with securities fraud. See, I don't know what the securities fraud would be. The SEC. Yeah, 690,000. Yeah, it's bullshit. Dun, 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 dun. I want to find the Motley Fool thing. I just can't. There's no source for it. It's not on the SEC thing. It's not on anything. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, that was Johnny. It's a naked shorting lawsuit. Oxy moving back up here nicely. SPY moving up here a little bit. Let's see. He's talking about the Supreme Court decision stuff. That's what Biden's talking about right now. SPY's moving up, new highs. Oxy's trying. It's just kind of flatlining though. You want RKLY? If I swear this is a penny stock. No. Get this crap off my screen. Tiger running up again. Tiger is running up here. Lulu was running up too, I think. I think Wally actually is going to have a better chain. Yeah, Wally's got a better chain right here. What the? Stop. Yeah, Wally looks a little spicy here. SPY's ripping. It's trying to come up here a little bit. Yeah, Wally came back down. Yeah, SPY's popping. It's continuing to try and pop. Let's see. The Fool and Kramer are both bad news sources. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Thanks, bud. The Motley Fool news is a distraction. Stop. Hold on. Yeah, I don't see it. SPY coming back down a little bit here. Yeah, I can't find the Motley Fool thing anywhere. It probably came through the Bloomberg terminal and it just hasn't been circulated around yet. Like nobody's written an article about it yet. We'll give it like an hour or two and then you'll probably see an article about it. FX News Group has an article. Where is that a Twitter account? Forex News. I don't see anything here. eToro. Can you send me the link? If somebody has one, can you send me a link to it? I can't find it anywhere. Yeah. Dario, can you DM that to me on Twitter? I want to see that. It's on the SEC website. No. The Motley Fool one, I already found the BTIG one. The Motley Fool one, I don't see. Yeah, no. I already have the BTIG one. I've already seen that. That one I just found. USO's looking weak because it's going to track more on oil prices. So actual oil right now is down 1.71, and USO reacts more to oil prices. Oxy is more of like the oil production and like industry. No. Oh, Dario, I already know the BTIG one. I've already got that one. I have a lot of sources for that one. The one that what do you call it? I'm looking for the Motley Fool one. That's what I'm looking for. All right, people. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oxy is more than just oil. Yeah. What else they got? They also got natural gas. So that's why it's going to pump a little bit on that gas. Is Tiger a Tiger at Woodstock? No, Tiger is Target. Oxy coming down a little here. This could be the Oxy Shark that we were waiting for. Could be that Oxy Shark we were waiting for there, people. Now I'm humming Mr. Sandman because you guys got it stuck in my head. Assholes. Yeah, John, I'm looking for the Motley Fool thing because it says they were charged with like securities fraud. It came across a Bloomberg terminal. So let me see. Let me go back to this tweet. Yeah, nothing. SPY coming down to touch the 13 here before it potentially wants to rally back to the upside. SPY and IWM aren't really ripping. I mean, this is just it's up 0.8, which is big, but I mean, Amy's down 40 cents. Jimmy's down 2.31. Oxy puts. I wouldn't with this 4 hour here. I mean, I don't usually use the 4 hour for any kind of oil play. I mean, it's bouncing up pretty nicely here from like what, 54 to 59 this week, which is solid. I mean, this could continue a nice little move up here if oil starts to come back, which it easily can. You haven't saying she'll be coming around the mountain to me in a long time? You're right. I haven't. It's been a while. You see the Bloomberg Law articles about the Motley Fool thing? So, okay, now you're just fucking with me. Where is it? Please, somebody send me it. Found it. An Idaho man allegedly. My personal password. Oh, damn it. It's not Motley Fool. An Idaho man who allegedly managed to access stock picks by personal finance website Motley Fool before publication made millions of dollars trading on the information, has been charged with securities fraud. Wait, so they're literally admitting that Motley Fool pumps and dumps here. Wait. This is complete bullshit. Hold on. So they're going to go after the guy that literally just hacked into Motley Fool and saw what stocks they were going to recommend and then traded it based on the information that Motley Fool had. So Motley Fool is pumping stocks. What is this? What is this nonsense? Dude, fuck, are you kidding me right here? Are you kidding me? That is the biggest bullshit lawsuit that I've ever seen in my entire life. That is worse than, like, bro. No. Amy Lil Pop. Dude. So if I hack into, like, more, like, oh my God. Oh my God, this is the drunkest thing I've ever heard of. We know they manipulate the market, so that's why the buy rumors sell the news. Evan, thanks to the super number one BS guy. Dude, you get the newspaper faster than anyone else in the morning. Full sprint at the end of the driveway, illegal. Dude, that's literally like the Motley Fool and this dude are literally the same in this situation. It's the same thing. They have CFA. That's just bullshit though, because you're literally like saying things about a stock. It doesn't matter. They can recommend stuff, but no, John, I see what you're saying, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the actual words that are printed are the cause of a stock going up. The fact that Motley Fool recommended it is why the stock is going up. That's bullshit. You can't do that. And then literally just trading before they say it is nonsense. So the authors get right, exactly. It doesn't matter if they're licensed. Okay, Warren Buffett could come out and be like, I'm buying, literally putting my entire net worth in this one stock and just run it up. But it's still him pumping it. It doesn't matter if it's he's licensed. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. That's crazy. That's number one bullshit right there. All right. I mean, should he have hacked into Motley Fool and done that? I mean, I don't know how he's committing securities fraud. Where's the article on that? It's what do you call it? It's on Bloomberg Law. Motley Fool really grinds your gears. Not even that. It's just this is silly. This is silly at this point. Hold on, let me see. I had some other shit I needed to talk about in this thing too. I think I have a screenshot of something. Let's see. The SEC obviously can't go after real criminals. Well, they're going after Billy Huang right now for like they're threatening 380, or the DOJ is threatening 380 years in prison, which is a lot. Motley Fool for years loaded up on a stock and then recommended it, and that's how they make money. Checked on this a few years ago. Yeah, you know what they can also do? They can also do a couple of things. Okay, this works more for like gambling and like trading. You can, if you have like a group of people, let's say it's like like you give out free stock picks. The initial round is free. You tell half of them to do one thing and you tell half of them to do the other if it's a binary thing, like stock up, stock down. It will be up or down in that time frame. Okay. So then let's just say like half of those people stay because they're going to be more excited, and then you just keep cutting it in half. So then you have a smaller group of people that you've literally just hit everything on, and none of it's real because you were just playing the odds. That's what Motley Fool is essentially doing. Would I swing Oxy? It's about to cross up on the 4 hour. It already did cross up on the 4 hour. Already did. Crossy, cross, cross, cross right here. I like it. Yeah, I might hold it. I might hold it. I might do a little something, something. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of annoying. I'm only up like 17% on these. I feel like the spreads are stupid. Yeah, a little bit. Is today a better day for 920 instead of 1348? Not really. It's not really based on the day. Like, it's just a slow day in the market. Oxy didn't cross yet on TradingView. Let me look. It's right about to. Same difference. It's right about to. What if the real story is that he hacked in and changed the articles to be produced to match his own picks to pump stocks with no catalyst? That would be hilarious. That would be funny as hell. Oxy pumping. The dude showed Motley Fool his ankles and now he's in trouble. Yeah. I guess that's how it works, man. I guess that's how it works. Hold on. Hold on. Your Oxy got stopped in the dip. How? When did you get it? Let's see. All right, people. Again, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Oxy running up a little bit here. You had to play it tight. Gotcha. 10%. I don't think my oxys were ever red because I got them on like one of these candles. And they just went, whoop. Maybe a little bit on these little nonsense candles here. Let's see. Dude, I can't believe you guys get these songs stuck in my head all day long. You guys are crazy. Crazy behavior out of you guys. I mean, Oxy looks good. I'll probably hold it into tomorrow. See what happens with it. It's so small, remember? I'm playing with the stop, so it can do whatever it wants. Baby shark. Stop. Bad. What's crazy is the man from Idaho. Yeah, that Idaho stuff is crazy. Let's see. Lil Will, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Took a nap before Spy Run yesterday. My puts oofed. Yeah, dude. SOS lost steam. Yeah, they had that. That's what I was thinking was going to happen because they had that little news pop with the earnings and then right back down. Spy right at the 13 here. Where's Occidental? Fucking Oxy, bro. AMC just killing it. Like, hard. Stop. I'm going to tell you one more time. Start learning how to make money in the market, or you're going to be subject to these buy and hold situations where you're going to be in it for a while. Did you see the Ortex Twitter account about the error in reported data? Yeah, they just reported the old data and then sent it in by accident, I think, and the SEC hasn't fixed it yet, which is sounds like the SEC. Sounds like something the SEC would do. Oxy's trying to run back up here a little bit. Ugh. Let's see. Apple hires 31-year-old veteran to ramp up its car project. Oh, Ford veteran. I thought that was really random. I was like, why would you specify that they're a veteran? All right, Oxy hunting new day highs. Run, bitch. Run. Run, Oxy. Go. Hit that 61 and keep running. Go, Oxy. Apple getting spicy is Spy. Spicy. Yeah, Apple getting a nice pop off the 13 here. Let's see. You feel like the market's going to rally after Powell like last time because he announced a 50 basis point hike that everyone already knows about? Right. You got to worry about the balance sheet runoff, selling of assets. Let's see here, folks. Spy trying to get a little pop here. Oxy. How much are these Oxys up now? 20 something? 24. Apple just needs to buy Toyota. Easy. Thank you, SV. Nobody talking about that. Yeah, the balance sheet. If the balance sheet news is like bad and they're like, oh, we're gonna run it, it's like, oh shit, and that's not gonna be bueno. SPY popping up here a little bit off of the 13. It's rimming. Yeah, that's going to be the shocker. Let's see. All right. Now you got Hey There Delilah stuck in my head. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. You people. Can't believe you. $50 basis points is already priced in. Right, but like it doesn't matter. Even though it's priced in, there's still going to be comments made by Powell that are not priced in that they're not expecting. So you can price it in to an extent, but everything's going to move and pick a direction after Powell. When it does a rim job, okay, when it rims, it usually like it'll follow here and then come right back up. If it's to the upside, if it's to the downside, it'll rim and then come right back down. Oxy's just been rimming the 13 all day. I mean, this is just kind of slowly following it up. This isn't more really a rim, but we'll see. Powell has a big toolbox. Yeah, he does. He does. What do you mean, you people? You know exactly what I mean by you people. Rimming. All right, let's see. Amy 1496, chilling. Do I only rim SPY? I mean, I do it on the 1 minute all the time. I mean, I wouldn't do it now. This doesn't look very good on the 1 minute. It's about to get a MACD cross on the 1 minute too. So this could be the rim. You get this 1 minute MACD cross and extends off the 5 minute 13 here. Even with the 5 minute MACD coming down, you can see that 1 minute cross and then a little bit of an uppie. Your pennies are starting to pop. There you go. There you go, M. Kriegs. That's not what rim job is, but okay. Yes, it is. Unless you're talking about like the literal definition of it, which is not what we're talking about here. You treat us subhuman? That's not true. I treat you guys very well. You guys treat me very poorly by asking me the same questions over and over all the time. When's the Fed meeting? It's tomorrow. Let's see. Is it a coincidence in 08 Biden was VP when the market crashed and now he's the president and Bernie claims the mother of all crashes is near? Oh, God. I mean, probably. What's a good Republican stock? What are you talking about? DWAC? I don't know. Like a lot of people on the right were buying DWAC. Let's see. All right, folks. Let's see what we're getting here. If SPY 5 minute gets this MACD cross goes below the 13, is it smart to ride puts down? You're not getting an actual put signal though, because it's still well above the 200, unless you're scalping it, which you could do on the 1 minute. But again, it's still above the 200 here. SCD keeps squirrel locked in a closet. Yeah, where you belong. Just kidding. Oxy, little pop back up. Fed earnings. No. No. All right, let's see. All right, people. It's 12. I got to go take my last tests of college now. I got to go take 2 of them. So that's going to wrap up the stream for today. I'll have a video out for you guys a little bit later. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out, though. Helps out a whole lot. And make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. If you guys don't, that's that little bell notification. Helps let you know when I'm posting videos and going live and stuff, so we don't have to deal with the YouTube nonsense. So again, if you guys do want to get those free alerts on 1348 on over 400 stocks, 450 stocks, make sure you check out that link to the Discord in the top of the live chat over there. But again, that's going to be it for today. I got to go close out school. and then I will be back. So, all right, people, hit that like on the way out, and peace.